Hello, everyone. Good morning. Able to see me? A quick yes to the class. Yes, all are able to see. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining this class. Very excited to see you all. Very warm welcome to batch 4.0. Right? The power, the Josh. Right? Everything should be high. From today, the next 2 months, you all will be with me. Right? Great. Nice to see you all. Very happy to meet you. Right. So many students are with us. Right. 9-6 only. Next 3 hours, you will be with me. Right. And today's session is all about your fundamentals. What is DevOps? What is SRE? Why anyone wants to come to this domain. Right. Voice is not audible. Can you all confirm voice is audible or not? Right. My internet connection is good. My systems are good, right? And people on YouTube, right? So those who are not able to join this class, right? Please join the live stream. I have shared the link. Great. Awesome. Great. Awesome. So everything is good. Yes. Prabhu, make sure your system is good, right? The voice, I'm able to speak properly. I'm loud enough, right? And I hope you all are able to get that, right? Yes. Okay. How is the Josh before we start? Let me know, like, how is the Josh and what are your thoughts about this class? Hi, boom. Okay. Hi, boom. Hi. Great. Awesome. That's really good. Hi, good morning. Yes. Hi. Okay. Surprise. Definitely we will discuss about the surprise, right? Okay. Great. Awesome. Right. Yes, great. Awesome. Very excited. Nice. So let me know, right? Good morning. So guys, let me tell you, this is the only class which will be in Zoom. From tomorrow, entire website will get, entire meeting page will get changed for everyone, right? So it will be very much different from where you are joining today. Right. And this is only for today's session because I wanted to make sure more people join. And I wanted to make sure you are able to understand like what exactly we are doing and where exactly we are going to do all these things. Right. So if all of you can come on live, come on video, another 2 minutes, another 2 to 3 minutes. I just want to see you all. Right. Just want to understand in chat. If you all can turn on your video, it will be really good. We will connect with face-to-face because as we go ahead from today's class, it will be more on a practical and theoretical knowledge. So let me give access so that you all can start video. Yes. Okay. Murli is there. Okay. Hussein, Pratik, looking good. Your hair is looking good, Pratik. Nice to see you all. Raghupati, Yokeshwar, Mayank, Anil, right? Uday. Really good to see you all. Sai Krishna is walking on road, I think. So he is attending live. That's really cool to see. Okay. That's okay. That's completely fine. Janani B. Okay. So many questions Janani asked yesterday and finally she is here. Nice to see Rekha is here. Napoleon. How are you, Napoleon? Good. Give a thumbs up. Great. Nice. Nice. Awesome. So in the comment section, right, put where are you from? Which place are you all belong to? So that I can just make sure which place you all belong. You can tell. Batch 4.0 people are from USA, Allahabad, Maharashtra, New Delhi, Canada, Mumbai, Bangalore, Moon. Okay, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Belgaum, Hyderabad, Pune, Nellore, Delhi, Odisha, Bangalore, Warangal, Vijayawada. Okay, Germany, Chennai, Coimbatore, Karnataka, Nashik, Maharashtra, Hyderabad, IT Hub. Okay, so much love. That's really good. That's really good to see you all, right? And let me put what is the surprise for you. Are you all ready for the surprise? First of all, are you all ready for the surprise? Yes, give a thumbs up, all of you. All of you give a thumbs up. Are you ready for the surprise? Yes, great. So let me tell you, let me be honest with you, everyone. As you all know, I have cracked the companies like Amazon, Walmart, your Paytm, Airtel, SAP, Informatica, right? Dun & Bradstreet, Acolyte Digital, Google, I was rejected. Microsoft, I have cleared, right? So those who are looking for this Prime 4.0, what you will get is, guys, I wanted to give something more to this batch, right? You all can understand, right? When I say Prime, that's why I changed the word Prime. So let me be very honest with you all. In the last 2 months, I have cracked 15 top product-based companies again. Okay. Are you all happy with that? Now, what is the use of that? What is the use to you all is, I will share each and every question to you, provided you should be with me. The next 2 months, you should be with me. I have the coding questions with me. Every company, right? Adobe, Visa, MasterCard, you name the company, I have the offer letter with me, right? That is the surprise for you. And every document, every questions document I have with me. Every questions document I have with me, right? And I will be telling you all. And there is a huge change in my career also. So I'll be transitioning to the new role and everything, right? And every experience I will be sharing. One thing to tell you all, very importantly, what I wanted to tell you all is, guys, whatever the company you think, how many of you think that there is no company calling you, or you are not getting calls? How many of you think that, right? You all think, yes? Chat with me, right? You can put a chat symbol. Yes, you all think, right? Yes. But guys, let me be honest with you. I have many companies daily, they were calling, right? I have applied to various companies, right? And I got selected almost all the companies, right? And you will be amazed to see, if I show you my notes, how I prepare myself, right? How every day five interviews I was attending. So you see, guys, okay, let me put like this. Where is my photo? Okay, are you able to see my phone? My screen is not blur, right? Okay. Now, are you able to see my phone? Where is, no, my phone you are not able to see? Okay. Okay, that's fine. Where am I? Okay, you are not able to see the phone. Okay, what I will do, let me do this thing. Okay, let me tell the names of the companies. Zeta, Yulu, Yipam, Oracle, your variant, Numeric, Grow, Gamescraft, Blackline, AP Moller, Mayors, JPMC, Density, Porter, Ness, Calyx, again Gamescraft, Rakuten, Arista Networks, and Prequin, Adobe, Hotstar, right? So guys, you should able to understand, it's your time now, right? It's your time. Maybe once you join this class, right, tomorrow, I will send all this company lists to my email ID, and I will show you Engine Bogie, Blackline, right? And you have Myntra. I went to Myntra office, guys. Okay, I went to Myntra office. I did the coding in front of them. I wrote down everything. So I have taken the screenshots also of all the questions. I'll be sharing with you all. Right? Clear, everyone? Right? So the experience is vast, right? The experience of mine is vast, which you will be getting in 4.0. Clear, everyone? Right? Fresher experience. Don't worry, guys. You just have trust on me. You just should understand that what is my potential and the potential to deliver the classes, deliver the lectures. Clear, everyone? Give a thumbs up if you all are clear, right? That is your surprise. And many things I have updated from 3.0, 1.0, 2.0. I have updated the projects also. So don't worry, projects are more in terms of your real time, because you know, Python people are asking more, right? And shell scripting and coding and everything. So I have upgraded the projects on based on that, right? So all my classes will be on real-time projects, real-time experience, how I cracked, what I cracked, all those questions I'll be sharing with you. Clear? Swapnil, Bareja, Amit, Srinivas, Yogesh. Yes, clear, everyone? Anji, Anup, Raghuvaran, who else is there? So many people are there. Yes. Clear? Hussein. Yes, Hussein Bala is there, right? So that's all the things you have. And if you ask me, Praveen, there we want something more, I'm going to add that in the course, right? So you are going to talk with me. Let me share my screen and let me put the agenda clear for the next 2 months so that you all are with me, right? Clear? Okay. Okay, Q&A I will take at last. Okay, just wait for some time. I will set the agenda for freshers and experience. What is there for batch 4.2, right? I will set the agenda. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm setting the agenda for you. From tomorrow, the class, the teaching will be different. Today is the first class, so I wanted to make sure you all are with me, right? So let me show you like what is the agenda for freshers and experience. Tomorrow you will see I will have my pen tab and everything. Today it's the first session, so general interaction and fundamentals we will be covering, right? Agenda and the prerequisites kind of thing for freshers and experience. Freshers / experience, right? What is the agenda for your dream organization? I'll be telling, right? You should join all live sessions. First thing, right? This is the agenda which I am setting. If you miss any of the live sessions, right, recordings will be available, but I would request you all, please join only the live sessions, right? Please, a humble request, only live sessions, because you will get the interaction. You will understand what is the things you need to learn, what are the situations you need to understand, how the project is in real time, how the projects will be, right? You should only join. You should all join live sessions, only live sessions, guys, right? Only live sessions, my request. If you are not able to join live sessions, then always the recordings will be there. But my humble request is you should join live sessions, right? Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, the next thing is complete all projects, right? Complete all projects which are given to you in class. Okay, complete all projects. All the projects will be in terms of your CICD, right? In terms of your K8s, AWS, chatbot, right? Node.js, right? Python, right? Shell scripting, right? Monitoring, right? Monitoring, right? So what I would say, and so on. What I would request is those who are with me for the next 2 months, you all should join live sessions. If at all you miss, please complete that previous session and complete all projects, guys. Please, a humble request. If you are not completing, then there are chances that you miss something. Now, what is the plan? Now, Saturday and Sunday are the classes, right? Usually. Now, Monday to Friday, you have time. So you need to spend 1 hour each day. I will be sharing my GitHub repositories, the project details, everything. You have to complete that project and interview questions also. I'll be sharing interview questions and I will be sharing the projects also, right? So Saturday and Sunday classes, Monday to Friday, you have to give 1 hour each day. So it means 7 hours in total or 5 hours in total. You should complete project and your interview questions, right? Clear, everyone? Till now, everyone is clear? Yes, no? Everyone is clear till now? Yes? Clear? Great. Awesome. Right? You all are clear, right? Great, great. Awesome. Any questions? No questions, right? Very simple. Right? Yes? Okay, great. Now, one thing I would like to tell you all, if you have any doubts and if you say, Praveen, you need doubts clearing session, I am ready to give that. I am ready to add doubts clearing session, provided you ask me in the class, like, Praveen, I have doubts, then I will be setting up the doubts clearing session. Tomorrow, we will discuss about this. First week, it's not needed. It's a general terms. But yeah, I will ask this question tomorrow in class, because tomorrow is tool setup and everything we will be doing, right? And if you tell me, I will add this. Clear? Now, fifth point, very important, and a star mark. My students have placed in companies like top product grade, Amazon, Cisco, Walmart, right? Airtel, whatever you name the company, my students have cracked, right? Have cracked good companies. Now, how they have cracked, let me be very honest with you. They were with me till the last session, right? And you all should be with me joining live sessions, right? Please have your notebook. The next point I will be telling, right? So all of you, please have your pen and notebook going ahead. 500 pages notebook. How you need to divide that notebook is, divide that notebook tool wise or week wise. This is 500 pages notebook. Make sure you divide like let's say like 30 pages 1 week, 30 pages next week, like that 12 weeks, right? According to your feasibility, you divide that. Clear, everyone? Yes, clear, right? Now you see, only joining the live session students have cracked this. If you think that if you cannot join live session, then there are recordings, but I am stressing again and again, guys, again and again, please join live sessions and complete all projects which I'll be discussing, right? Clear, everyone? Fifth point. Sixth point is have notebook and pen. Please, without notebook, it will be very difficult. Why notebook? I'll be telling. Very importantly, with your notebook, you are going to rehearse or revise all the things, right? When you are going to interview, have notebook, 500 pages, and divide that into multiple segments, right? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Have notebook of 500 pages. So these are like agenda for everyone, right? Freshers and experienced, right? Clear? Have a notebook, right? And divide that into segments, week-wise segments. Clear? Now, seventh point, what is an important point here is, if you are struck in any issue, right? Two things will be there. One, doubts clearing session, if you say, right? Next, you have the Telegram group. I hope you all have joined the Telegram group. If you have not joined, the link will be in the confirmation email. Okay, Telegram group, right? The next one will be the mail, Singham Batch 4. You can mail your queries here at gmail.com. Please note down everything, whatever I am typing, so that going ahead, if you are struck with any point, you come here and check and then mail or then take the help, right? Singham Batch 4 at gmail.com. Or the fourth point is, if you are struck in any issue, again, I am telling, very important, people usually get struck and they don't try to Google it. They don't try to search for help. They just try to look for spoon feeding, right? Now, let me be very honest with you, freshers, you all are supposed to work hard for next 2 months, right? If you are struck in any issue, doubts clearing session are there, Telegram group is there, or you can email, or obviously Google, and I will be available, right? Clear, everyone? Now, don't give up here. This is one of the important factor. I would say, don't give up, guys. Don't give up. If you give up now, you are not going to get benefits. If you suppose you are having an issue, right? Let's assume that Python is not getting installed in your system. Copy that error, paste it in Google, and find out what best you can come out with the solution. Clear, everyone? Are you understanding? Now, this is absolutely for freshers, right? Experienced people won't do, I believe. They will usually go and search. And that's how I learned, guys. I started from a small company, right? And I am cracking now big companies means I worked hard. I have the potential to Google search. I have the potential to reach out to people on LinkedIn, on YouTube, or on Instagram to make sure they are getting help. Clear, everyone? I am stressing for freshers because you are going to get so many things which are very much new to you. And I'm setting this agenda so that you are understanding how much is important each class is. Clear, everyone? Now, all of you freshers, can you give a thumbs up? Clear? Are you all clear? If you are struck in any point of time, just by heart the document which I have given, right? By heart that document. Why? If you are struck, at least flow, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, right? You can understand with that. You can understand with that. Clear? Clear? Yes. If you are struck, at least by heart the documents, understand the documents, and go with the flow. It means that you should be able to understand. If you're struck somewhere, okay, I am struck somewhere, write down in your notebook, top, right? And make sure you are Googling or reaching out to any of the platform which is here. Clear, everyone? And one more important thing for freshers, if you are stuck now, okay, that's completely fine. Round it off in your notebook and you have to go to the next steps. At least go to the flow. Yes, clear? Clear? All of you clear? Freshers? Yes. Are you all clear with the terms and conditions of my class? Right? TNC basically, terms and conditions, right? For everyone, it's applicable for everyone, but last point is applicable for freshers, right? And non-IT, right? Clear, everyone? Yes. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Nice. Nice. So how many of you have pen and notebook? 9:26 sharp, 9:30 we will be starting our first class today. How many of you have pen and notebook? All of you have pen and notebook? Yes. Yes. Great. 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 Awesome. Awesome. Yes. Great. Okay. Any questions till now you have? Any questions you have till now? Have pen and notebook? Great. Okay. Okay. Classes are Saturday and Sunday. Yes, Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. PDFs or any documents, I'll be sharing everything. Website will have everything. After the class is completed, you will have recordings, you will have class notes, you will have PDF. Clear? Clear? Okay. Node.js for DevOps because you are learning chatbot, Raghavendra. Okay. Okay. Walmart interview questions. Okay. I will definitely share. No worries. Yes. Ashish, they can give. Yes, you are chatting, Rahul, with me one-on-one. Yes, chat is visible. Chat is only for host, right? I cannot see others chat. Okay, others chat, you will not be able to see. You will be able to only communicate with me, right? Can you explain step 3, please? Okay. Okay, step 3 you want. Who is this? Alexander. Okay. Monday to Friday, 1 hour each day, you have to spend. I am making terms and conditions very clear because after 1 month, right? Freshers usually say that, okay, there is more what you call projects here. I cannot understand. So for them, I am setting up the agenda, terms and conditions. 1 hour each day you have to spend, right? With my documents, right? Or Google. Clear, everyone? It means that suppose today, this week, Saturday and Sunday, the class are getting completed. Then for the next week, Monday to Friday, you have to make sure you get all the details, what you need, right? Any questions, any queries, mail team is there, mail, and then you have to self-study also, right? Okay, any questions, sir? Can you take? No, Monday to Friday, there are no classes. Date on which it will finish, October 30th. October 30th, everything is there on website. Yes, Ritika, this particular class, only one class is on YouTube because you know, many students are there who are facing issues. So I have connected, I have streamed to both the places. So to make sure that students are not having any issues and they are able to understand the first day of website and first day of class. From tomorrow, there will be no streaming, right? Teach us how we can find remote. Yes, sure. Yes. Okay. Okay, great. Great. How we can prepare the resume. Everything is there. Everything will be there, right? KES means Kubernetes. EKS. Okay. Yes, it's just for you. So guys, yes, a good question Akshay has asked. When you are seeing your phone number, name, and email ID, that is for you only. No one else can see anything, right? It's website privacy so that you cannot take screenshots of anything or no one can access your data, right? For them, right? Yes. Okay. 30th October. Yes, Anurag, 30th October. We will have, yes. I don't have experience in DevOps. Can I yes, Janani, you can definitely add. Yes. Praveen, can you, okay. Last we will the students, right? Only, yes. No, guys, Telegram, you all can chat with each other. There is an option of comments, Sujata, right? You click on the comments, it will route you to the next group, next Telegram group. There you can chat. Okay. So there is no WhatsApp group for anyone in 4.2, right? Can you give some insights of coding? Yes. Coding, we are not talking. Any other questions? Yes, I will share the sample resumes. Don't worry. Yes. Okay. Placement help. Yes, I have tie up with few HRs. I'll be sharing your resume, Shaksham. What we will learn today, basics, we are going to have Praveen. Okay, great. So most of the questions I have taken October 30th. Yes, yes. Nachiket, yes. Can we get Linux terminals? Yes, you will get the Linux terminals. Who will clarify doubt other than your class? That's what you have the Telegram group, and you will have doubts clearing session, and you can mail. So that's why I told, right? See, who is this Pfizer? Doubts clearing session is there every Wednesday. If you ask me, I can keep it. Telegram group is there, and mail is there, and Google and I are available, right? Clear? Clear? I'm experienced. Ask for shell scripting. Yes, shell scripting is there. Okay. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, let's start the class. Right, it's 9:30. We will go by timing. Clear, everyone? Yes. So let me start the class and let me set what are you going to learn in the first setup, right? Okay. So I will just down this. Okay. Okay. Bridge class batch 4.0. All of you keep your notes ready, notebook ready, so that you all can understand what is needed for you, right? Batch 4.0 DevOps bridge class. What is DevOps? We will see. And then slowly we will start into your things. Tomorrow is very important session. Tools installation we will be doing. Okay. I will be showing you where you have to install all the tools, because that is what important, right? I told what is DevOps, right? So you all can see what is DevOps. Very, very simple thing. Right. And as we go towards this slide, you will be able to understand the difference, right? DevOps, SRE, what each person is doing, my day-to-day activities, my experience and everything. Clear? Clear, everyone? Now let's go ahead and see what are the things that are there for you in this slide, right? Let me clear the screen for you, right? So guys, the core principles of DevOps, right? Today we are focusing on what is DevOps, your Git, Linux and AWS. Okay, these three concepts we will cover, and from basics we are going, right? All of you, please have your water bottle also with you. The break will be given for 5 minutes, and I will be telling you when you get the break, right? Right. Okay. The core principles of DevOps. Let's understand what are the principles, what is there. And guys, tomorrow I will be showing you the principles which I follow. Today, the principles you will see what is there as per the written statement, right? As per the statement which everyone follow. But tomorrow I'll be sharing with my experience where I have worked like Walmart, Amazon, like I know, right? Based on that, I will be sharing my experience, right? So see, DevOps involves around a set of core principles that it needs implementation and practices. Very, very much important. You will see collaboration. You will see automation, CICD, feedback and monitoring, continuous learning and improvement, right? Very, very much important. When you say collaboration, right? Suppose Janani is there, suppose few of you are there, and we are forming a team of DevOps. Now, assume that in my team, right? In my team, I have, let's take 3 freshers, right? 3 freshers and 5 experienced people, right? So total team is 8 members team, right? 8 members team. So what I will do, right? I will make sure that my 8-member team are working closely, right? Are working closely. And you know, this collaboration happens with a tool called Jira, right? Jira, right? Right? Jira. So today you will see that I will not use my pen tab or everything. I will talk with you all with my hand gestures. From tomorrow, I'll be using my pen tab so that you all are understanding in a better way, right? DevOps is all about collaboration, where you will understand that, okay, my pick is coming in between. Okay, who is that? Okay, are you able to understand? Is my picture coming in between? No, right? You all are able to see? Okay, great. Awesome. Right, thanks. So you should understand collaboration is all about how a team is working, how each individual is connected with other, like we all people are here, right? How we are connected together and how we are going to help each other, right? That's what you will see, right? And the responsibility of a DevOps team is all about making sure, right? DevOps, development plus operations, right? Right. In this, what you are doing basically, you are helping the development teams and you are helping the operations team, and you are a bridge. You are a bridge between both the terms, right? So DevOps, like I am a DevOps engineer. I will go to the development team, ask their requirement. I will go to the operation teams, ask their requirement, and complete that requirement as an automation. Are you all able to understand? Yes. Yes, are you all able to understand what is collaboration? Now, automation. Guys, in my class, for the next 2 months, everything is focused here, because in your resume, you should be able to put this at the end of your classes, right? Automation, you should keep a big heading automation, and whatever we are learning in this class in the next 2 months, you will be keeping as an heading of automation, and you will be able to show the people that, hey, boss, I am good at automation. Please take me in your organization, right? I am good at automation. Please take me in your organization. That's where your weight of the resume, weight of your resume will be more, right? So are you understanding? How many of you have kept till now automation as an heading in your resume? Can you tell? Anyone have put that? No, no, you have not put. Only one person, Nimesh, is telling you have put. No other people have put. People on YouTube, what about you all? Have you put automation as an heading? No. So guys, after this class, after 2 months, I want everyone to keep automation as an heading so that you feel that you are different from others, right? Clear? Yes, clear everyone? Yes, Shilpi. Shilpi was from batch 2, right? So she has joined again batch 4. So Shilpi, I hope you know, you will be getting new things in this course, and you will be also getting the new interview questions with the companies I have cracked in the last 2 months, right? So I have cracked various companies, the data, the streamline, the coding questions, the screenshots where I wrote in the companies, right? Batch 1. Okay, Shilpi was from batch 1. So the companies like Myntra, I went inside the Myntra, like companies like Gamescraft, I went into the company, right? So those things, right? Clear? So let's go ahead and see like what are the things that are kept here for you, right? So next point is continuous integration and continuous delivery. Very, very much important, guys. We are going to do complete project on this, and we will integrate every tool. You name the tool in the next slide that is getting integrated in our project. I'll be showing the big picture next slide. You will be able to understand, oh my God, itne sare tools hum log dekh liye. This many tools we are going to learn in this course. Everything you will be watching with me for the next 2 months, provided you are going to join live sessions, you are completing the projects. If you are stuck also, that's completely fine, but make sure you are following what is getting taught to you, right? So CICD is very much important. I will say a 5-star important concept, right? And whatever I have learned in previous organization, whatever I tell in the interview, you are supposed to follow that. Clear everyone, right? Now feedback and monitoring, guys, you will. So let me tell you, in monitoring, what we are going to do as a project. We are going to deploy 3 applications, 3 microservice applications, right? Microservice 1, microservice 2, microservice 3, and we will be hitting the endpoints. And this microservice will talk with this microservice will talk with this microservice will talk with this, and we are going to create a microservice based architecture in Kubernetes, guys, right? K8. Pardon my handwriting. For today, I apologize, but from tomorrow, it will be sorted out, right? All of you are understanding, you are going to learn Kubernetes microservice architecture. We are going to deploy 3 microservices in AWS Kubernetes. We are going to hit endpoints www.abc.com, www.abc123.com, www.abc234.com, and we will see how these websites or microservices are talking with each other. Are you all excited for this microservice architecture? How many of you are excited? Give a yes. You can chat with me. You can put smileys also, right? On the what you call like on the Zoom. Great. So I know you all are here to understand the important concepts. Guys, no one will teach you. People give 4 projects, 3 projects, but I'm giving each session 1 project. You should understand that I am contributing more. Guys, for freshers only, I'm a little bit like here and there, because you guys are very naive to these concepts. So I want to make sure that you will get 100% support from our end, right? But you have to complete all the things, right? Clear? So I was talking about monitoring. Let me complete that. What are you getting? So in monitoring, you deploy the 3 microservice applications, right? And on top of that, you install Grafana, you install Prometheus, and the Kubernetes cluster monitoring you will see in the Grafana dashboard. How many pods you have installed, what are the metrics, CPU, memory, RAM, your number of hits to the user, everything you will be able to see in the projects of monitoring. Very, very important concept, very much asked concepts, right? Continuous learning and improvement. Guys, why I have kept this now? See, these principles are applicable for you all in your real-time life also. See, continuous learning, we all have to do continuous learning, because you know, today there is one tool in the market, tomorrow there is a new tool coming in the market, right? So will you be able to learn this tool and upgrade, right? That's what obviously people need. That's what people need, right? That's what people need to upskill themselves, right? So people need to upskill themselves by continuous learning and improvement, right? So old way was code. So let me tell you what was the older way. You used to code, you used to build, you used to pass that build file, right? I will tell like file here, but as we go ahead, you can understand. Suppose I am there, right? Praveen is here. I am sharing all of you with a file, right? I am sharing a file to you all. And you as a DevOps engineer are sharing that file. You are the development person sharing that file to testing team. The testing team is sharing to release team, and release team is sharing to operations team. So what does this mean? The time is more, right? The time is more. The number of people involved in the process is more, correct? Right? Yes. And more importantly, if any person does mistake, then entire process goes wrong. Yes or no? True? Yes. True. Great. Great. Right? Great. Yes. True. Now let's go to the next slide. Let's see like what are the things are there for you. Now, benefits of implementing DevOps in your organization. So guys, whatever you are learning in my class, you can tell to your manager. How many of you are working professional? Quickly say or give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up or say yes. How many of you are working professional? Now, see guys, every project you can talk with your manager. Every project you can talk with your project manager. Chatbot. See, chatbot. You can talk with your manager and say, hey manager, I want to implement this in my current organization, right? You have CICD, you have automations, you have GitLab. You can talk freely to him and explain him what is the importance of your projects. Clear? Yes. Clear, everyone? Right? Yes. Are you understanding what is the importance of all the projects which are kept to you? Yes. Great. 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 Awesome. Let me clear the screen. Let me tell you like what exactly this means. All right. Benefits of implementing DevOps in your organization. Very, very simple and effective. You get faster delivery and time to market. It means that suppose a company like Flipkart is there, right? It is running big billion sale, right? It's running sale. And suppose it want to make sure that 1 billion people have to hit the website. It means you are doing the faster delivery and time to market. You are implementing all your changes very rapidly to the market, right? You think of Swiggy. Okay, how many of you are using Swiggy? All of you are using Swiggy. Now, Swiggy on the Christmas day, or on the, let's take like your February 14, or let's take on your New Year day, it completely changes the website, guys. Right? Time to time, it changes the website. How? They are using DevOps. Swiggy, Zomato, your Atlassian, like you see Confluence pages you are using, Atlassian, your Flipkart, every organization is using DevOps. Now, those who are telling outside and those who are telling that DevOps will end, DevOps will not end, guys. So don't worry. Okay, DevOps is not going to end unless and until, right, there is a new term coming up. You see, DevOps is not going to end. What are the new terms? DevSecOps, MLOps. Now, you know, I was reading an article, DevGPT, which I will share in the Telegram group of Batch 4.0. GitOps, yeah, DevOps GPT, right? Like ChatGPT, DevOps GPT, right? So there are many, many things coming up. right, in the class, right, which makes people understand that DevOps is not going to end. Now you see, improved quality, guys, very important. You have to make sure you improve the quality, you improve the reliability, right? Both the things are important. Quality means how best you are giving to your market, how faster. See, we have talked about faster. Now you are running faster, but if you don't have the reliability, it means your body is not supporting you, right? Will you be able to run faster? No, your fastness will be reduced. So DevOps maintains the quality and reliability, right? Through what? So guys, whatever topics you are seeing here, these are part of our classes. Testing also is there, DevOps, right? Everything high quality, reliable, and security. Yes, security also we are going to discuss, right? So everything. So each slide is kept in order to make you understand what you are getting in the next coming days. Enhance collaboration and communication. So Slack, see, Slack. So we will be talking on Slack, right? Slack bot, right? And you are talking with me on Zoom, right? So we all have some agendas, some goals. Now, when we talk about goals, all of you, please open your notebook. All of you, please open your notebook, the first page of the notebook. Write your goal. Today, please set your goal for next 2 to 3 months. Please write goal and tell me what is your goal in the chat. After you write, I will give 1 minute to everyone. What is your goal, right? You want to go into top product based organization, write as a goal and company name. You want to make sure you want to make your family happy with better package, write your goal. You want to make sure you earn a better living, or you buy a house, or you buy whatever it is, right? You write your goal, right? After writing your goal, comment in the chat so that I see. Your goals are private to everyone. No one will see. Want to become a DevOps engineer, product-based company, right? You set your goal. All of you have written your goal. Yes, Microsoft, make my family happy. Yes. Anything else? Anything else? Better life, top product-based companies, right? So see, the way of teaching of mine will be very much different, right? I usually make sure you set your goals. You set your goals and work on those goals. You don't have vision, then you are not working. I have a vision that this batch Prime 4.0 should target more than 30 LPA, because 3.0 have got till 20 LPA, and overall the highest package was 30 LPA. Now, if you give me 31 LPA, I'll be happy. If you give me 30.1 LPA, like 30 lakhs, 1,000, I'll be happy, right? All of you have written down your goals. Yes. Yes. Okay, great. So goals are very much important. Without goals, we are not going to move forward. Please write your goals on your first page of notebook. Please, that's important, right? That's important. Great. Awesome. You all are awesome. Now see, cost. Now, very much important. Cost. See, DevOps have to save cost. So, you know, cloud, when you talk about cloud, it comes with cost, right? When you talk about any platform, it comes with cost. So DevOps also includes the cost savings. You can say proudly that, okay, I involved chatbot and I saved 1 lakh rupees to the organization, right? Something like that, right? Increased customer satisfaction. DevOps is all about increased customer satisfaction, right? It should be very much important. Now, one thing here, very much important, guys. Okay. Please tell me when, okay, I will talk in a little bit of time. No worries. Okay. So increased customer satisfaction is very much important. When a customer is coming to you, let's take, I am a DevOps engineer at Flipkart. My customers are solely my development teams. I am working at Walmart. My customers are my development teams, the product managers, the product owners. Correct? Right? Correct. Who is a customer to DevOps engineer? Who is the customer to DevOps engineer? Right? Who is the customer to DevOps engineer? We, right? Our client, fellow mates, or your development teams, or your, what you call your product managers, product owners, right? So those people are there. Are you all writing notes? Guys, are you all writing notes? Whatever you feel that it's important, are you all writing notes? Okay. Don't need to see on the slide. All of you don't need to see on the slide, right? You can write down your notes because I am talking, right? So tell me one thing, is the pace good? Are you able to understand the pace, the phase I am going? Yes. Yes, good. All of you good. Great. Awesome. Nice, nice, nice. Great. Okay, great. So let's see what are the next slides you have. Okay, what are the next slides you have? Okay. Okay, let's see the big picture of DevOps, right? And whatever you are seeing the tools, I'll be selecting some tools. Please write down in your notebook so that you understand what are the tools we are covering. Okay, so the first tool, Google Drive, anyways, we have, right? Docs we will be using. Jenkins we are going to use, right? And so many tools are not here, but as we go ahead in the next slide, you will see AWS we are using, Ansible we are using, right? Slack we are using, Slack bot basically. Okay, and on the Splunk we are using here Sentry we are not using. What else you are seeing here? What else you are seeing? Node.js we are using. Okay, Node.js. Selenium we are not using. GitHub we are using. Docker we are using. Kubernetes we are using. JFrog we are using. Git we are using. GitLab we are using. X Matters, I will tell you the automation with X Matters. Microsoft Teams we are not using. What else? Okay, here so many tools are not there, but yeah, as of now you understand whatever you need. Let's take your Prometheus. Prometheus is not there in the monitoring terms, right? If you see here in the next slide, you will get it. Okay, Prometheus, Grafana, Jenkins, everything is here, right? Clear everyone. And you see this 8 symbol, whatever you are seeing here, 8, right? It plays an important role, right? You have build tools. It means that, see, DevOps is spread into various factors. And I am very much happy to tell you that this DevOps is divided into your compartments. Okay. And this compartments will help you to understand what each compartment is doing. As we go ahead in the next class, as we go ahead in class 2, class 3, week 1, week 2, week 3, you will understand that, okay, there are so many compartments you need to learn, right? And one more thing in these compartments. So guys, assume that you are a passenger in train. What the train has compartments, right? In that compartments, you are a passenger. Yes or no? Here, our passenger are tools. Okay, tools. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4, tool 5, tool 6. And who is our ticket collector here? Okay, very simple. Who is our ticket collector? Any guesses? Who will be our ticket collector here? No, the code. Correct. Who is that? Amit? Correct. So guys, are you imagining on your brain? This imagination, I will take it to the next level once we go to the CICD class. But as of now, understand, this is your train, right? And train has compartment 1, compartment 2, compartment 3, compartment 4, compartment 5, compartment 6. And each compartment is having a passenger as tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4, tool 5, tool 6. Okay. And this code is your ticket collector, which verifies everything and goes ahead, right? Jenkins is trained. Yes, I'm not revealing all the names, right? But as we go ahead, you will understand. Are you clear with this example? Any questions here, guys? Any questions here with the big picture? So when someone asks, right? No. Okay, I will explain again. Now, train, all of you, imagine in your brain. So guys, please imagine on your brain, please. Train is there, right? This is your train. Train has compartments. Clear, everyone? Train has compartments. Yes. Yes. Train has compartment, right? Now, in this compartment, you have tools. Okay. Tools, which is our passenger. Okay. So tool 1, passenger 1, passenger 2, passenger 3, passenger 4. So it means that in one compartment, one tool is only there. One passenger is only there. And who is our code? Who is our code? Our code is ticket collector. Okay. The ticket collector who verifies tickets, right? Code is our ticket collector, which goes and checks every tool, works with every tool. Yes, correct. Exactly, Hansika. Compartment means our stages, which I am not telling right now. I just given a big picture to you in your brain that you are a passenger. I am myself a passenger in a train, right? And I am a tool. My train is Jenkins. Okay. Jenkins has a big picture, right? I am imagining on my brain, and the code is coming into each compartment and it is getting verified from each tool. Clear? Now, you should not forget this concept, this train, compartment, tools, passenger, and code. Will you be able to remember throughout my classes? And the big picture I'll be telling. Yes, clear. Any questions? Any questions? Yes, Terraform is also there, Syed. Any questions, guys? Please let me know if you have any questions. No? Great. Great. Awesome. Okay. Yes, code is integrated. Yes. No, मेरे side से कोई lag नहीं है. The internet connectivity is good. Okay, there might be issue from your end. Okay, let's move forward. Right? Very simple concept. There is nothing to hurry here. Right? Just we will see the next slide and you will understand in a bigger picture. Now, all of you see here. All of you see here. This is the bigger picture. What we are going to do. Are you all seeing the bigger picture? Guys, people on YouTube, those who were not able to log in into the website, right? I'm requesting you all to watch on YouTube, right? So I see that people are there on YouTube. And if anyone wants to enroll for 4.0, you all can enroll, right? So all of you see here, right? Are you able to see the bigger picture here? Yes, no? Yes? Okay. Clear? Okay. Just listen to me. Just listen to me what we are going to talk, right? The bigger picture. Right? Don't worry about the namings. I want to, you will have to just see the tool's name, right? You have to just see the tool's name. That's it. Okay. Okay. Clear. So let's see what are the things you have. Now let me clear the screen once and I will show you. Okay. So guys, this is a DevOps engineer. Okay. This is a DevOps engineer. Okay. He is doing some coding. Okay, let's assume that he is a DevOps engineer. He is doing some Python coding, right? Now you see at each stage, each compartment, you see compartment 1, compartment 2, compartment 3, compartment 4, right? And similarly, compartment 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So you see tool, passenger 1, passenger 2, passenger 3, passenger 4. Are you able to understand? Yes or no? So this guy who is doing the coding, right? He is sending the code to what place? Tomorrow we will be seeing what tools you need to do, what tools, what setup you need in your laptop, everything we will see tomorrow. Okay. And I will give you all the links, whatever you need, like your GitHub, AWS logins, everything. Okay. Tomorrow we will see. Okay. This guy is pushing the code into somewhere, right? Just assume that, see, in our room, wherever you are sitting, right? Where imagine you are sitting in a closed room. In your room, you have some cupboard. In cupboard, what we put? We put clothes, right? In cupboard, we put clothes. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? In cupboard, we put clothes, our items, our laptops, whatever you feel. Similarly, in outside, in real world, you put your code in GitHub. Okay. You put your code in GitHub. So to place my code, I want a repository called GitHub. Okay, very simple, right? So all my code I will place in my GitHub. Similarly, how you are putting your clothes in your almirah, right? Or cupboard, right? Very simple as that, right? Clear? Now you see, there are certain tools in DevOps, guys. Okay, there are certain tools. You see, this is one tool, right? Code analysis. Now, at every stage, I want to make sure, see, everything is your DevOps principles only. Linux, we are going to touch from the next slide. Just wait for some time. All of you are behind Linux only. I know that. But yeah, as of now, I am telling you big picture. You have GitHub as your code management. You have Sonarqube, right? This Sonarqube helps for your code analysis. It means that, and we are going to cover each tool in detail. I'm just telling you names. I'm just telling you names. We are going to cover each tool in detail. Okay. So at the end of the class, I'll be talking with you all one-to-one, interacting with you all, right? And we'll make sure that we are not having any questions, right? Sonarqube. Next, you see build. Right? So each compartment of train. So are you able to understand? No, don't go with zoom in, zoom out. Just try to understand like what exactly we are learning here, what exactly we are focusing, right? We are focusing on your trains and compartments. Compartment 1, right? That's what we are focusing, right? Compartment 1, compartment 2, compartment 3, compartment 4. And this is the passenger, the code. The code is the passenger. That's what I told you. This passenger is passing through each compartment, right? Sonarqube, JFrog. See, JFrog, repository. So similarly, let's assume you have your pen, right? You have your pen. Where you will keep your pen? In pen stand, right? In pen stand or on table, right? Similarly, pen is a smaller unit which we need. You have your notebook where you will keep, you can keep on your desk, you can keep on your bed, you can keep in your bag, right? So similarly, you have some files to keep in some places. So the smaller files which you see like 1 MB, 2 MB files are kept on a repository called JFrog. Okay. JFrog is a tool which we'll be seeing. So each box is a tool here, and we will be seeing in a bigger picture. Now you see Terraform. We are going to cover Terraform, right? Clear? And in this Terraform, you will see how we are creating the infra of AWS. Okay, we are going to create the infra of AWS with Terraform, right? Are you all excited to add this project in your resume? We are going to create entire AWS infrastructure with Terraform. I'll be showing my interview questions with Terraform, what people are asking right now in the last 2 months. I'm very much proud that you are at right place. You are at right place, to be honest, because no mentor has cracked this many companies, and I'm openly challenging everyone. If you find any mentor who has cracked this many companies, you can always go ahead and learn from them. But I am guaranteeing that no mentor would have cracked these companies, right? Which I have cracked in the last 2 months, right? And in the last year, I have cracked many companies. You all know that, right? So definitely it is an added advantage, right? Definitely it's an added advantage, right? Right, everyone? Okay, Ganesh. Great. Ganesh is here. Okay, great. Great. Awesome. Right? So you need to understand what is required for you to get a job. We are not going to learn everything in these classes. We are going to learn what is needed for you to get a job. That is why if you see the banner of the page, www.praveensinghambali.com batch 4, you will see 100% job ready course, right? So let's go ahead, right? Terraform is completed. Cloud servers. So we will provision some servers in our class, EC2 servers, and that servers are our cloud servers, right? Containers. We are going to use Kubernetes. We are going to use your application containers, everything, right? And you see testing. We are going to use some tools. Release management. We are going to use some tools. Your cloud infrastructure, your monitoring. Again, I am telling, we will going to use Prometheus. We are going to use Grafana. And guys, obviously, we are going to use Slack. So end-to-end compartment structure, are you able to understand? Each tool is a passenger and each box is a compartment, and this is your train. So this train is traveling from Delhi to Kanyakumari, okay, from north to south. Okay, this is Delhi. Let's assume this is your Delhi. Okay, let's assume that Jammu Kashmir. Okay, this is your Jammu Kashmir. And this is your Kanyakumari. Are you able to understand? Your code is traveling, your train is traveling from Jammu to Kashmir, taking your different kind of code, testing different things, stopping at various stations, and then reaching out to the Slack with a notification. Clear? Okay, clear? Clear, everyone? Vande Bharat. Okay, great. Yeah, Vande Bharat example I'm giving in the next class. But as of now, just try to understand what it is. Yes. Clear? Any questions? Yes, build pipeline, Simran. Everything is there. Everything is there. Everything is there. Okay. Anyone wants me to repeat this? Anyone wants me to repeat what we have discussed? Repeat once more. Okay, great. Let me repeat very much. It's not important because the same concept we will be seeing on a bigger picture. Let me repeat in 2 minutes. Time is 10:04. By 10:06, I will repeat once more for the people, because freshers are also there. We have to respect them, right? So see, guys, this is your train. Very simple. Okay, this is your train. And the train is starting from Jammu, Kashmir, and the train is stopping at Kanyakumari. Okay. This train has compartments, right? Compartment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And finally 12. Okay. So 12 compartments, 12 tools. Okay. 12 compartment, 12 tools. First tool is GitHub. Second tool is Sonarqube. Third tool is Maven. Fourth tool is JFrog. Fifth tool is Terraform. Sixth tool is AWS Code Deploy or Ansible. Seventh tool is containers, Kubernetes, right? Eighth tool is something like your JMeter. Ninth tool is ServiceNow. 10th tool is again Terraform or CloudFormation, right? And 11th tool, you can say Prometheus and Grafana and Slack, right? So each compartment is having a tool, and your code is flowing across each tool. See, I'm drawing the flow also. Now you will be able to understand. Okay, this is the route. This is the route my train should follow with all the compartments. All right. This code will go over each tool and will get over what is that tool has to do. Right. So there are some AC compartments, there are some non-AC compartments. It means that there are some tools which will do some testing. There are some tools which will do some build and everything. Clear, everyone? Yes, guys, don't worry about the briefing of each stage. Tomorrow or day after in the next classes, CICD advanced session is there. Na? There you will understand. As of now, in your brain, only one concept you should assume that, okay, you are a passenger and you are traveling in a train. Each compartment is doing something on the passenger and your code is your ticket collector. That's it. Yes, clear? And your train is Jenkins, guys. This train is Jenkins. Okay, let's move ahead. Let me show you what exactly you are able to see in train already. Okay. So guys, let's go with GitHub, right? And I will just share once the batch 4.0, once I will just go over this website so that you all understand what exactly each session you will get it. Today, DevOps and SRE fundamentals. Tomorrow, your tools setup and installation, right? And if you ask doubts clearing session, I can add it here. So similarly, CICD, entire CICD is in next week, right? 2 projects CICD next week. Docker, Kubernetes. See, date-wise also I have given. So if you just come down date-wise, September 23rd September, 9 a.m., Python automation, chatbot automation, shell scripting automations, Kubernetes monitoring automation, Terraform infra creation, AWS creation infra, Ansible project, Red Hat Linux system administration, because I have cleared RHCSA. So you will be getting from me the RHCSA questions also, right? GitLab CI/CD automation, resume building, right? LinkedIn profile building, and your mock interviews, right? And you see week-wise syllabus I have kept. Right, week 1, you will not see the what you call today's week, but from tomorrow, like the next week, you will find the agenda getting here. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Great. All of you clear? Any questions asked? No, laptop configuration is not needed. Basic laptop is good. Okay, because we will be doing everything on cloud. Okay. Yes, Python programming is there, na? See, week 3, Python programming and Node.js. Clear, everyone? Node.js, Python is also there. Yes, Jira is there. Jira automation. See, guys, see, Jira is also there, na? Jira kahan hai? Jira REST API for loop. Jira REST API automation. I have my own Jira account, guys. See, singham.atlassian.net. Are you all seeing my own Atlassian account? My own Jira account. You will create the Jira automations with me. And you will have your own account. Let's say Chetan is there. Chetan.atlassian.net. Sandeep.atlassian.net. Are you able to see my Atlassian account, Jira account? Yes. Yes. Yes, correct. Okay, great. You all will have your own Jira account. So you see, I have my Jira issues and everything. Jira automation is also there. Real time. Sonarqube automation is there. So everything is there. Free tools, guys. We are not going to do anything on paid tools. Everything is free tools. Okay. Clear? Clear? Okay. In AWS is there. You can check from this slide. Okay. So let's see. Let's start with the basic concepts, guys. Very, very basic concepts. Now we will see Linux after that, right? I have given the big picture now, what exactly you are going to learn. And now we are going to actual concepts. Now, Git and GitHub, guys, let's assume Git and GitHub, then Linux, then AWS. Okay. Now, Git is not GitHub. How many of you were till now, you were thinking that Git and GitHub are same? Those who are experienced, you can tell in the chat. Those who are freshers also can same. Not same. Not same, right? It's not same, right? Not same. So very simple. Git is a version control software and GitHub is a repository, guys. Okay. So all of you, right, will be able to understand that Git and GitHub are different. Tomorrow, we are going to install the tools in your system and I will be sharing my GitHub repository. Clear? Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So, Kristen, if you are talking like this, then you will be kicked out from the class. No questions asked. Okay. What's your question? You can ask in polite way. What's your question, Kristen? Anyone is having any questions? While I asked, if you have any questions, then you have to tell me your questions. Okay. Is DSA required for freshers? Not required. If you want to become a DevOps engineer, you have to make sure that you know Python and shell scripting first. DSA will come next. Golang is not needed as of now. Git is version control and GitHub is a repository. Okay, I have a question. Please ask. Okay, let's keep 2 minutes for Q&A, right? Let's go ahead with Q&A 10:12 to 10:14. Any questions? Okay, great. Sorry, accepted, Christian, right? Sir, for AWS, do we need to have account? Yes, you need to have account. I will give all the steps tomorrow, right? Clear? Do we need to have master Python and JavaScript? Only Python, which I will tell that only you need to master, not everything. JFrog is a repository, Praveen. JFrog is a repository where we store files in MB, in KB, not GBs. Okay. Sir, we will be covering Docker. Yes, from basics, it will be covered. Okay. Nginx is not there. Jenkins and CodeBuild. Yes, Jenkins and CodeBuild are similar money. Okay, sir, I have deep knowledge on Python. Sir, I have to have deep knowledge in Python. No, deep knowledge in Python is not needed. Whatever I tell, that is enough. Sirji, what tools we are installing tomorrow? Every tool, guys. So tomorrow, please join. We will be installing all the tools. And those who are watching on YouTube, YouTube will not be there tomorrow. This is the first session, so we have kept on YouTube. Tomorrow, there will be no live on YouTube. Everything we will be talking between us. I have a question. Are we going to cover? No. It's not there, Nachiket, right? A little bit of conceptual wise, we'll be talking. Okay. Will we get interview questions? Yes. Guys, I am going to share my interview questions, which I cracked from last 2 months. Every question I have documented. So you see, okay, let me show you. Okay. Are you seeing something like Jetta Google Docs? Are you all seeing? So this will be my interview questions, right? Everything I have noted down, whatever I have cleared the interview, right? So you see, there is something, congratulations email also. Okay, I should not share. Okay. Okay. So you see Zeta Google Docs. So it has all the company interview questions. Okay. Clear, everyone? I'll be sharing everything to you. Whatever companies I have cracked, I'll be sharing with you. Yes, I will be sharing. Current document you will get in your website. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Someone is asking, can project completion be shown? Yes, definitely. Shaksham, you can show your project completion. Yes. Sir, Git and GitHub are more similar na, like code push. No, hum log baat karenge. Praveen, please suggest me laptop, MacBook or Windows. If you have budget, go with MacBook. If you don't have budget, go with Windows. I worked on Azure 5 years. Yes, Shabnam, definitely. Do we need, okay. No, Zeta, you don't need to access. Okay, Rahul, please ask your question. Those interview questions for experience or freshers, freshers के लिए अनमोल चीज है. You are getting gold. You are getting gold from me, right? For experience, it's a good gold mine. Namaste, sir. Namaste, sir. How to get remote job? Guys, why are you worried about remote jobs? First, complete the course, right, Ganesh? Windows, which one on Windows? See, I am not using Windows, so I cannot comment on that, Vamshi, but I am using Mac, so I'm proudly telling Mac is good, right? Is it possible to transition from? Yes, definitely, Sonak, right? Please provide, yes, questions with answer. Are we going to do hands-on along with you? Hands-on discussion, we will keep in the class. If you all are okay, we will be going to do with that. Or else I'll be doing the hands-on and then you will be watching the recordings. At what stage in our course will you be sharing interview questions? I'll inform you, Ajay. There is a separate class there. Every time flow missing. Yes, general Q&A. Okay. So guys, I always ask this question. When to keep Q&A? Now tell in the chat. When to keep Q&A? You want me to take Q&A at the end of the class? Let's take like 10:45 or 11:45. Or you want me to take the Q&A every 1.5 hours, every 90 minutes? What is your majority? What is the majority, guys? Every 90 minutes, that's good, right? Every 90 minutes, can we go? Yes, every 90 minutes. Okay, this I will stick to all the classes going ahead. Okay, no, 90 minutes is good, right? Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear? Great. 90 minutes. Okay, there is a big question. I'm expecting, okay, Naveen, see what you are expecting. You have joined after seeing the course curriculum. Please go through the course curriculum. Route 53 is there, Naveen. Okay, Linux troubleshooting is there. Everything is there, whatever you have written. Okay, clear? Yes, job search, you can start. Yes, who is this? Kamal. Yes, Dilli Babu. I have students from security team, hardware storage, network domain, your BPO, everyone, right? Gurpreet, yes. With this course, can we also work on Azure DevOps or not? Azure DevOps, AWS DevOps, GCP DevOps, everything works on same fundamentals. So don't worry about that. Okay. OS Linux only we are using. Okay. I have taken enough questions. Let's go ahead and watch what is Git and what is GitHub. So let me tell you very honestly, right? Tomorrow we are going to see the GitHub account. But yeah, today I'll be showing you my GitHub account. Just have a look, just have a glance. And those who have joined the 4.0, they will be getting this GitHub link with the details. So this is my GitHub. So guys, you all see, right? There are many, many things here. And see, you can follow me here also if you want. Now, let's see that there is something like a project. Okay, there is something like your project. And this is the knowledge base, guys, for everyone, right? I have kept the knowledge base here. So this knowledge base, you have to follow. Okay, this knowledge base you have to follow. I will be uploading the new files here, right? And this link I'm sharing in the chat to everyone. Just keep it, and I will be sharing in the Telegram group also. Okay, so just let me share to everyone in the meeting. Okay, this is my knowledge base, right? Each tool wise, if you see, there is a document inside that, right? And now you need to understand, this is GitHub, guys. Tomorrow we will have your account opened with some name. This is GitHub where you store your code. Okay, and Git is something is similar to your tool, which will help your code to push. This is your Git, which will be in your laptop, and this is your GitHub, which will be there on server, another server. So laptop to server, the transfer of the code happens via Git. Okay, clear, everyone? Git is a software and GitHub is a repo, right? This is a repo. Okay, clear, everyone? Now, let me just open the terminal, right? And okay, I will show everything tomorrow. But as of now, just try to understand Git is a software. Okay, Git is a software when you install in your system, right? When you install in your system, you will get software. Okay, right? What are the commands in that software? I'll be telling you in a while. But you all saw the GitHub, right? This is my GitHub account, github.com. I will tell you tomorrow, don't do anything today. I will tell you tomorrow that what you need to do, where you need to install, what you need to do, I will tell you tomorrow. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes, Linux is also there, right? Linux is also there. Next slides are Linux. Clear? Yes. Clear, everyone? Great. Great. So this is my GitHub account, guys. Please, you need to follow this GitHub link going forward. Don't follow any other GitHub link. Okay, you have to follow this GitHub link. Okay, so you all understood now. GitHub is a repository where you store code. But from your laptop, let's assume that this is my laptop. This is my laptop. From my laptop, how can I push my code to GitHub is very much important, right? That is your Git. Okay, clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, right? Yes. Yeah, commands I will tell. Okay, just give me 1 second. I will come. I'll come in 1 second. Okay, there is someone at my door. Just give me 1 second. Meanwhile, you can just take. Okay, okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Now I am back. Able to see me, right? Yes. Okay, great. So guys, one important thing, all your resources I have segregated, right? And going forward, you will see new resources also getting added here. So if you click on Jenkins, there will be 2 files, interview questions and notes, right? Similarly, if you go to anything, REST API automation, right? So these are just like examples for you, just like knowledge base for you to refer. Are you clear with this? GitHub, this cat symbol, every tool has its symbol. This is your GitHub. Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Great. Great. As we go ahead now, we will see how we can install in our system, how to work, how to push the code. Tomorrow we will see. Okay. Today is just introduction, basic introduction. Okay. Ram is telling when you explain, it's very easy to understand. Great, Ram. Great. Experienced people, please wait. As it is a bridge class, you will be seeing all the things as basics. Okay, right? Yes. Now let's move forward. Where were we? Okay. Okay. So don't go with these things, right? Just we will focus on this 2 only going forward. Okay, right? Okay, so let's go forward. Let's see like what exactly. Okay, now stages in Git, very, very important. Very, very important. So, you know, like I always tell to my students, right? Let me write it here. I always tell to my students that DevOps tools plus your configuration file plus your what you call plus your, just now we have seen something. Yes, commands. This makes your DevOps setup. Are you clear? Yes, this makes your DevOps setup. Your DevOps tools plus configuration file plus commands. all of you guys, please make sure, right? You are understanding each sentence and you are with me, right? Right? Clear, everyone? Yes. Huzaifa, can you ask your question here, or you have to wait till end? I'll be taking you all in live. Okay, one-to-one conversation we can do, right? In live, right? Huzafia, clear? Or if it is a query, you can ask here, right? Okay, great. So guys, this commands are nothing but each tool is giving us the commands. Okay, tomorrow we will work on these commands, but today you see there are 3 commands in Git. Very, very important, very, very important, right? So let's assume that you are doing coding. Okay, very simple. You are doing coding in your laptop. Okay, laptop. This is your laptop. All of you have joined via laptop, right? All of you have joined via laptop. Yes. No one has joined via phone, right? Yes. All have joined via laptop. Great, great, awesome, awesome. So when you are joining via laptop, right? Once we install the tool tomorrow, you will see all the commands here, right? All the commands, right? Whatever we are discussing, the git status, git add. So nothing, guys. See, now you have your laptop. Let's assume that this is your laptop, right? Now this Git is a powerful software, I told now. So in laptop, we will install tomorrow this Git, okay? And we will make your laptop a place where you can interact with your code, okay? So you see, we will run some commands, okay? Tomorrow we will run some commands, okay? This is my code, okay? Let's assume that there is some code, okay? Okay. Okay, I will just show you CD Kubernetes. Okay, CD AWS applications downloaded, Kubernetes questions. Okay, CD Java. So guys, are you seeing something here? Docker file, pom.xml. Are you all seeing? Zoom? You want Zoom? Okay, let me stop screen share. Okay, let me stop screen share. I will zoom it. Okay, why? Okay, 1 second. I will zoom it. Okay, now I hope you are able to see. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Now, is it fine now? Is it fine now, everyone? Right? Yes. Is it fine now? Clear, right? So guys, this is my code. Very, very simple. This is my code. Now, I will tell you something. See, git status when I type, right? What I am getting, guys, what I'm getting, there is a red mark here, right? What it is telling, it is telling that there is an untracked file. Are you able to see? Let me make it a little bit big for you. Are you seeing there is an untracked file? It means that when you have your code and you change any of the files, see Jenkins file, pom.xml, any file, if you see, right? Suppose I change this file, guys. Okay. I am telling you how to open a file and how to edit and save the file. Just see in the next slides, you will get it anyways. Okay, let me clear the screen. This is for screen clear. ls-lrta. Okay, guys, this is a Linux command. List everything, right? List everything, right? So you see in the folder, I am in which folder? Java app 3.0, correct? So I am in this folder. Correct? ls-lrta. I am in this folder. And you see, I am giving vim. I am editing. Let's take like some file. I am creating, let's think like I am creating batch 4.0 file. Okay. Now you see what will happen. Okay. All of you, when I say VIM, it is opening a white blank page. Yes or no, guys? Any questions? So all of you note down in the notebook. In the next slide, it is coming. VIM, to create a file, to edit a file. VIM is a Linux editor. Okay. VIM editor. Yes. Clear, everyone? Now I will write like batch 4 students are good. Okay. VI also works. Okay. Now all of you see here, for saving the file, you have to press escape. Please note it down. Press escape. Okay. Okay. Press escape. Can't we use touch command? Yeah, touch also you can use, Kristen, right? Right. But in general, all of you press escape, right? And shift:WQ. Yes. Shift:WQ. So I will write like this. I will pass to everyone this command just to save it. Okay. As we go ahead in every class, you will understand what exactly these are. Okay. Pass escape and :WQ. You guys see ls-lrta. Batch 4.0 has been created. By whom it has been created? Praveen Singampalli. When it has been created? Some date issue, right? September 2nd, right? September 2nd, right? Size of the file and time 10:31. Clear, everyone? Okay. VIM is used to create a file if the file is not present. Who is this? Kalyan. See, touch is to create a file. VIM is also to create a file. See, VIM is also used to edit a file. Okay. Touch is predominantly used to create a file only. Clear, everyone? Now you see, I will type like git status. Now, which file I should get it, guys? When I type git status, which file I will type? Which file I should get? Which file I should get? Which file I should get it? Batch 4, right? So these two, you see, these are telling that when you ask status, it is telling like you have an untracked file. Okay, you have an untracked file. Now the next command, right, to make it tracked, right? To make it tracked, you use git add. You see, I am adding batch 4.0, right? These are commands of git, guys. Very, very simple and very, very easy to understand. When you say git add batch 4.0 and you again press git status, are you seeing something in green color? What is that? Yes. So you see, this I have not added. It is in tracked mode. Git add, all of you write it in your notes. Git add is adding a file to Git. Now it's tracked, correct? Yes, it's tracked now, correct? Now, once it is tracked, I am using the third command. I have used till now 2 commands. One is git status. One is git add. Next is Linux, guys. We will be talking about that. Next is git add. Okay, now you see git commit -message. You type like batch 4 data has been added. Clear, everyone? Yes. Now, when you say enter git commit, so all of you see git commit -m is a message. All of you write down in your notebook, M is for message. M is for message. Yes. Yes. Okay. Git init is also there. In the next slide, I will be explaining. Okay. Whatever I had, I am explaining right now. There are commands to see. Okay. Commit means all of you see, there are some things to understand. All of you see here, git, okay, ls-lrta. So guys, are you, okay, I will clear the screen. So guys, are you seeing here something .git folder? Are you seeing here .git in the repository? Yes. How many of you are able to see .git? Yes, 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 yes. Now this .git is local repository, local in my laptop. Okay, clear? Yes. bare repo. Yes, non-bare repo or local Git repository. When you say git add, git commit, everything is happening to this folder. And how this is getting created? You have a command in it. Okay, in it, which I'll be showing you in a while. Okay, .git. This is local server, local repository, right? Local repository. And this is central repository. This is central, which is maintained by GitHub. This is maintained by you. You as Praveen Singampalli is maintaining this one. Yes, it is hidden because it's a hidden file, right? And if you see in the .git, there will be cache, there will be binaries and everything, right? Clear, everyone? It's dot means hidden. Okay. See, guys, when you are seeing .git, this is your local repo, LR, I would say. Please write down in your notes, LR, local repo, which is maintained by Praveen Singampalli. Praveen Singampalli can delete, Praveen Singampalli can add, Praveen Singampalli can commit, Praveen Singampalli can check the status. But when you say central repository, this is your central CR, central repository, which is maintained by GitHub. Clear, everyone now? Clear? Yes, very simple. Yes, great, awesome. Now let's see. Once you say, right? Yes. Now, once you say like git commit, okay. Now you see git status is showing like still the batch 4 is not added. Once you say git commit hyphen message batch 4 added, okay. And you say batch 4.0. Now you see, what are you seeing, guys? Everyone, one file changed. Yes or no? And it is telling git commit. After doing this, you may fix the identity, git commit, right? So you all should understand there is one more command. So everything is happening where, guys? Everything is happening in local server, local git. Local git, it is happening. Now, if you want to send the file to central server, what is the command? The next command is git. I will clear the screen. Git push. So once I say this, that will be added to your central server. Clear, everyone? Git push. Clear, everyone? Right? So how many commands we have seen in this class in the hands-on? I'll be sharing this repository details and everything tomorrow. Don't do anything today, right? Please don't do anything. Git commit we have already done, right, Nichiket? Right? I will show you, okay? If I show you the history, right? Okay, what are the commands we have used? Git status, all right, git commit, and there will be git add. Okay, git add is not there. Git add, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3, and finally your git push, right? Git push, right? Clear, everyone, with git concept? This is basics, but as we go ahead, I will be showing you merge, conflicts, everything. Clear, everyone? Yes, hyphen M is message. We are passing message here, right? Clear, everyone? Let's go to the next things, okay? Okay, this was that. So I have explained in practical. If you want to see theory, this is theory, okay? So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so yeah, these are the commands which you need to know. Git init to create a new Git repository. Git add to add a new file to your local server. Git commit, local server, stage changes. Git push from local to central, right? Yes. These commands we will see as we go ahead. But yeah, I have kept this slide. Once I show you the hands-on, I will talk there. Clear, everyone? Okay. So what I tell by heart, or at least go through the documents. One-stop solution for all your data points. Yes. Clear, guys? What about others? Suhail, what was your question? सर गिट कमिट करने के बाद वो सेव कहां होते हैं? लोकल सर्वर, कैश में, लोकल में होता है वो, ठीक है? लोकल में होता है वो, लोकल .git फोल्डर में होता है, ठीक है? Who is this? Will you share all slides? Yes, class is done. I will be sharing all slides and uploading into the same under the recordings. It will be available. Okay. Git pull and everything. As we go ahead, I will show you. That's what I told. Na? Don't, guys, this is just for your reference. Okay. Just for your reference. Okay. We'll not talk everything, right? And I will show you everything in hands-on. Then we will talk about this. Clear, everyone? GitHub and GitLab both are same, Raghavendra. Okay. Okay. Clear? Oh, okay. Dilli Babu is telling, is it possible to connect AWS security engineer? No, AWS security engineer, we are not focusing, right, Dilli Babu? It's up to your interest. You can focus on that. Okay, great. So let's move forward. So few things I have kept ideal. As and when we will do the hands-on from Java applications, your Node.js applications, I will be showing this. Clear, everyone? Shall we go ahead? Right? We have to cover Linux also, right? Yes. Okay. Before going into the Linux, take a 5 minutes break. Okay. 10:40 the time is. 10:45, please come back. Okay. Shall we take a 5 minutes break? Yes. Okay. What about others? Yes. 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 Great. Great. Clear. Okay. Please take the 5 minutes break, and next slide we will be covering on next topics. Like as I've told you, this is the same flow. Next, we will cover the Linux file management. Okay. Clear, everyone? Come back from break and we will cover this. Okay. Yes, Raghavendra, I am able to see your messages. I am not able to ask questions and relate things. Shabnam, what is your doubt? Shabnam Gandhi, I'm not able to ask questions and relate things. I don't have any doubts. You don't have any doubts? I didn't get your question, Shabnam. I don't have any doubts. Oh, you are telling you don't have any doubts. Okay, good. Okay, please come back. We'll be watching here. We will be taking a 5 minutes break. Okay, please go for a break. Refresh, drink water, have fruits, juice, whatever you have. Come back. We will cover Linux and AWS. Okay, little bit touch up we will do. Okay. Please make your notes, everything. Okay. Write everything. So I am keeping this 5 minutes break. Okay. Tomorrow, this issue will be resolved. I will have my pen tab. I can explain you clearly. Right. Okay. Okay, take break and come back soon. Meanwhile, I will have some water and everything, right? I'll fill my water bottle, right? Yes. Okay, all are back. Okay, great. All have taken the break. That's awesome. Great. Back. Okay, great. Awesome. Right. So let me share my screen. Let me go ahead with the things, what you will be getting next. Okay. Okay. Linux, we will touch base on Linux a little bit because these are important factors in order to make sure like what you need, right? And what a system looks like, because everything tomorrow we will be working on Linux only. Okay. So Linux is just like your laptop, right? I hope all are back. So I'm starting the class. It's 10:48 and till 12 p.m. IST, right? Another one hour you will be with me, right? So you see Linux file management. First, we will see what is Linux. Very simple. Okay. Linux is all about flavor, right? When you talk about flavor, right? You have Windows. In Windows, what were the types of flavors? Like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10, right? So similarly in Linux, there are multiple flavors and everything is given by Red Hat, right? Red Hat is the product-based organization which gives these kind of things to you. Clear, everyone, right? So Red Hat is an organization which gives the servers, like your laptop. Who gives the laptop to you? Dell, right? HP, right? Apple, right? Similarly, who gives us the servers? Servers are given by your Red Hat, right? Red Hat has again multiple flavors in it, like your CentOS, Ubuntu, right? Fedora, right? And other flavors, right? We will be more focused with your CentOS and Ubuntu as we go ahead. Great. Great, right? Clear? Now, similarly, see, everything is same mapping. If you are Linux, right? Linux is very much important, guys, to be honest. With Linux only, with Linux certification, I was able to crack companies, right? You know, Oracle, it was for principal engineer DevOps position. The first round was full of your Linux only, right? 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 So Linux is similar to your laptop. That's why L and L, Linux and laptop, both are same, right? How they are same? Let's assume. Now, do you have your laptop? Do you have D drive? Do you have F drive in your laptop? Do you have G drive, right? Do you have C drive? Correct. You have drives in your laptop. Yes or no? Yes, all of you. Correct. You have drives, right? Now, what happens when you go into Linux, right? Linux has similar kind of drives, okay? But names get changed. Okay, clear? So what type of files? So in C drive, what you keep, guys? You keep programmable files. In D drive, maybe you can keep photos. In F drive, you can keep some videos, right? Correct? Linux and shell scripting both go hand in hand, okay? So similarly, your Linux has various directories, and this is the heart of Linux, guys. The heart of Linux gets stored on various directories. Now, that is why this slide is a 5-star slide for you. I am keeping here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is not star. Okay, clear, everyone? Shall we go and see what each drive is doing? This drive has various kinds of folders in it. Shall we see? Yes. Very simple. All of you note down, guys. All of you create this diagram on your book, please. In 1 minute, please create this diagram. You put slash, right, in one page, or you tilt your book like this. Linux is a system. Linux is a laptop. Just assume that, Sadhav. Linux is laptop. Just assume that. Or a OS. Linux is laptop and kind of your OS, right? With OS. Linux is your laptop with OS, right? What is that OS and all? We will talk. Clear, Sadaf? Yes. Sadaf, clear? Yes or no? Great. Awesome. Now, all of you tilt your notebook and draw this diagram. 1 minute I am giving. Keep slash and same slash root slash dev slash boot slash user slash var slash Praveen. I have not told anything, so wait for that. Okay, slash home slash opt. Create this diagram, same diagram, and I will explain you what it is. Ha, 1 minute I am giving time. Yes, Red Hat Linux. I will tell you what system to use. I will show you tomorrow what system we are going to use, where we are going to install. So tomorrow I'll be showing that. Okay. All of you done, right? So let's talk about each slide here. Okay. Let's talk about each slide here. Each slide means each folder. Similarly, how you had in Windows D drive, C drive. Similarly, here we are having some folders. Okay. Now I will show you what each folder is doing in Linux, and every interview question is based on this. Every interview question, this folders can change your life. That is one caption I can give you for Linux file management. Okay. Right. So let's see what are the things you have. Right. So let's go ahead one by one. Okay. The slash root directory, you see, the slash root directory is the home directory of the root user. Now in Linux, there is something like root. Okay. In Windows, who is the user? In Windows, who is the user, guys? In Windows, who is the user? We. I mean, Praveen Singampalli or you, Rahul, right? We are the users, right? But in Linux, always root is the main user, the primary user. Admin, you can say, admin. Root. Root means admin. Jud, root. Root of a tree, admin. Root Linux, admin. Okay. Tomorrow, I will show the example for this file system, not today. Right, Kristen? Please follow the class. And after that, you will be getting the things, right? Clear? Great. Now, see here, what are the things you have to watch here, right? You see, slash root is the root home directory for the root user. So you see, the root user directory, I mean, whenever you have your user getting created, you will have a home directory for that. I will show you in Linux tomorrow, right? Now, next directory is slash dev. When you go to slash dev, right, you see it contains device files. Now, in laptop, what is the disk you are connecting? What is the disk you are connecting, guys? Hard disk. You all have your laptop. All of you have a laptop. What is the disk which is getting connected to the laptop? Hard disk. Yes. Yes. Hard disk or SDD, right? Whatever it is. SSD, right? SSD. No, RAM is not a hard disk, guys. SSD or HDD, correct? So similarly, in Linux, you need a disk where you store the data. That disk data is present in the slash dev folder. And usually, when you see like D drive, F drive, E drive, similarly in Linux, the names are changed. What is the names, guys? Dev slash SDA, dev slash SDB, dev slash SDC. Slash dev is the Linux file system, right? In Linux, slash dev means your hard disk. Okay. Okay. I will map it like this. D drive is similar to slash dev slash SDA. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, guys? Yes. Got it? SSD or whatever it is. SSD or HHD. I will give PDFs will be available right below your recording session. The way you have joined today's session, under that, your document will be available. Right after the class, we will be uploading. Okay. Clear about this? Right. Now you see slash var logs. Now, var logs, I will talk about this also. Var logs. Now you have an application. You want to send the logs of the application. Where you will send? You will send in var folder. Slash var slash logs. I will be showing you all. So slash means what, guys? Simply, you need to understand. See, CD slash, right? Where I am going. Let's say I want to, I will clear the screen. So this is Linux terminal only on Mac, right? So let's take, I am giving ls-lrta. I will go into cd src. Src is a drive. So you see cd src/. So it means that I'm going into the folder, right? So you see ls-lrta. When you say, you get all the contents in the folder. Clear everyone, right? So similarly, slash is denoting a folder, right? And under that you see log, right? So contain log files. Guys, in interview, person will ask you where you store the log files in Linux. You have to say where folder, right? He can ask you question like this. Suppose I am giving you an application. You have to send the logs. Which folder in Linux you will use? Where folder. Are you getting the understanding? Are you getting the understanding? Yes. Now see /user directory, right? /user directory is something which will help your user utilities. All your user, see, user is something which will have the privileges to execute data, right? Right. So all the user related data, right, is in the user directory, right? And you see all the configuration related. So in the C drive in Windows, what you get, guys? Programmable files. Correct, na? In Windows, you get programmable files. All of you agree? All of you agree? In Windows, you get C drive programmable files. Similarly, your programmable files in Linux are this. Guys, please write your notes. A humble request. Please, if you are not writing notes now, you will forget what I am teaching. Please write notes here. You have to say that this is similar to your C drive in Windows, which will have programmable files. Yes, great. Okay, Gajanan, right? Clear? Clear? Great. So let's go to the next set. Okay, now /home directory is where your user folders are located. Okay, so you see home directory, all your media related folders like your desktop, documents, downloads, music, and other things are stored here. You can store it. OPT folder, very important. So guys, whatever I am telling, these folders are important. Okay. Okay, suppose you want to install an application you always use, and in real time also, we install all the applications under /opt in Linux. Okay, we install all applications under /opt. You see, for add-on application packages, we will use /opt. Clear? For media, we will use /media. Mount is something. Suppose you have a Linux machine like laptop, your disk is completed, guys. Your hard disk is full. What you will do? Your disk is full in Praveenji. I can't left you till last session. Awesome teaching. Great. So now tell me, you have your Linux. Now hard disk is full. What you will do? Or you have your laptop. Your hard disk is full. What you will do? Tell me. No, I'm talking about Windows. Your hard disk is full. Will you attach a new disk, which is more space? You will increase the space, correct? Similarly in Linux, there is something, the mount folder helps you to increase or decrease your space of disk. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes. Are you understanding? Great. Now let's move forward. Okay. You see proc directory, proc, right? I will clear the screen now. Proc directory, the /proc directory is virtual. You have all your processes. Now you want to know the CPU utilization of your Windows system. Where you go? Suppose you want to check the utilization of Windows CPU. Windows. Task manager. All of you, please, guys, type the chat. I want your answer. Task manager in Windows. Similarly, if you want to check the CPU memory utilization, you have to go into the proc folder. Top command. Yes, you can use top command, right? Proc folder. You go into the proc folder, you will have CPU utilization, memory utilization, RAM utilization, whatever you need, you will get it, right? Clear, everyone? Yes. Clear. Great. Awesome. Nice. right? Processes, yes. Processes means you will have all your CPU memory, all utilizations here, similar to your task manager in Windows. Right? Clear? Okay, let's go ahead and see what are the next things you have. Okay. Okay, bin directory, one of the best directory you have. Suppose guys, in Windows, you install software, where it will go? Suppose in Windows, you have something like .exe folder. Yes, correct. You install the software, where it will go? C drive, correct? All of you. Similarly, once you install the software, it will go into the bin drive. Okay, the path of the software will go in the Linux in bin drive. Clear? See, bin directory contains user command binary files. Once you install the software, all your data, means how the software should work, what is the command, everything will come but from here. Right? So here, different drives. See guys, in Windows, C drive is important, but here the drives are changed, right? I'm just giving an example, right? OPT is to store the applications, our applications, Java applications. This is for softwares. This is for softwares. Clear? Clear? Yes. / user, you have your user data there. Okay. So let me close this. See, everything is written here, right? See, the document will be uploaded right below your recordings. You have your recordings, the link you join. Under that, you will see like bridge class session 1 PDF. Clear, everyone? Right? User utilities will be in the user directory. Okay. Clear? Yes. Let's go. Can we change the destination? Mount will be used for, I told you, right? Mount is used for extending the space or decreasing the space. Drives management. Disk management is done by mount. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. I will show you everything, guys. Don't worry. HandsOn is there. See, in HandsOn, what we will do now, we will take a Linux system, attach a disk, increase the disk space, decrease the disk space, delete the disk space. Okay, this is what you will have. Okay, library. Okay, library is all about maintaining the OS. See, library. The library is used to maintain the OS. OS is here kernel. Okay, clear? Clear? Javed, I already told you. OPT is for our application installations. Bin is for software installation. Logs, store logs, Syed, we are using that. Clear? OPT is used to install software, whereas ETC is used to store programmable files. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead. VIM, I already told you. See, VI and VIM, I have already shown you. You can use this command, and here I have written everything. Okay, Shift plus I to insert the data, right? And everything I have already told you. Yes, you can watch this slide later. Shall we go to the next slide? VIM, you all are clear, right? Yes. Any questions in VI or VIM editor? Guys, whatever I am teaching, you have to ask me questions on that, right? If you have questions, please ask me. No? Manikandan, user utilities. In that slide, you will have it, user utilities. Great. Awesome. Right? Okay. So all of you guys, let me show you something on my terminal. I will clear the screen. Okay. I will come out. So CD is change directory. Please write in your notebook, all of you. All of you, CD in Linux is change directory. When you say CD ... it will come out of the directory. So you see ls-lrta, right? Now, all of you, I will tell about this, guys. Very important interview question. Now, all of you, please see here. Tomorrow we will do the hands-on, but I am showing what is there in this page for you. All of your eyes on the screen. All of you eyes on the screen, please. Yes, Raghavendra, we can use both. Okay, all of your eyes on the screen. Yes. Great. Yes. Now, please stay till the end of the session. I'll be talking with you all live. Okay. Those who are raising hand also, I will talk. Okay. As of now, I am only focused on teaching. I'm not taking any questions because 1.5 hours is completed, right? Already I have taken Q&A. But right after this class, right, another 20 minutes, I'll be talking with you all. You all can ask your questions. I'll be happy to answer till you are satisfied. Clear? Clear, everyone? Those who are on YouTube, right? Please, I'm not watching any YouTube comments as of now, right? If you are good, you can make sure like you join this class, right? Or else you can wait for me to answer. Okay, all of you see here, guys. All of you see here. Now, first thing first. What is this? Okay, what is this? File. Wherever you see a file, right? File. This is just a file. Okay. All of your eyes on the screen until I ask you to type. Don't type anything. Okay. Don't type anything on chat. See, wherever you see something like file, this is a file. This is a file. This is a file. Okay. Now you see, guys, there is something here, right? There is something there is something Praveen Singampalli, staff 99 May. Every interview question with your folder and file management comes from this. Okay, let me tell you what each denotes. Okay, all of you see here, who has created this file is username. Praveen has created this file, correct? Now, how to differentiate which is a folder and which is a file is very simple. See, all of you, I will make the little bit screen big. Don't type anything until I ask you to type, please. Okay. Okay, all of you see here? All of you see here? D, right? The first word, the first letter is D here, but here you are seeing dash, correct? Wherever you see a dash, it means it's a file. Wherever you see a D here, it means a directory. Now you can go into the directory. Let's take target. See, target is a directory, guys, right? EKS module is a directory. Now batch 4.0 is a file, right? Which I created with VIM. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now you tell me. Yes. Great. Now you understood the difference. Now let's see what are the next things. Praveen Singampalli is the user who created the files, right? Staff is a group, right? Now, you all are batch 4.0 students. Yes or no? You all are batch 4.0 group students. Yes. So we all are a group, right? Yes. Now, let's say I want to add everyone to my group. So I will add it in Linux. I will show you. Okay. I will show you how you can add it and everything. But as of now, just understand staff is a group. Here in place of staff, for you, you can see like batch 4. Batch 4, you can see. When it has created May 3rd, it was created and timestamp. So where is today's file? Batch 4, September 2, created at 10:30. Size of the file. Size of the file. And the biggest difference is here, right? Let me make this like this. Okay. RWRW and DRWW. Okay. So I have taken both. Okay. And I will be copying this. And I will be pasting in this. Okay, just wait. Okay, so all of you see here. Okay, this is dash, right? Again, there are 3 things. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, right? And 1, 2, 3, right? There are some things, right? So you see D. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. The first one is denoting, okay, where it is going. Okay. The first one is denoting whether it is a file or a directory. Okay. 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 The second one, see, listen carefully. I have divided into these segments. You got the first notion? All of you are understanding the first notion? Yes, no? Okay, Sunkara, Sunkara and everyone. Sunkara, there is no issue from my end. There are many students in this class. Issue is with your network. Okay. 100% sure my network is 100 Mbps. More than that, I don't have any issues. If students had issues, they would have complained by now. Okay, they are properly responding to me. So Sunkara, it's issue with your network. Please make your network good. Okay, Amit, everyone is telling it's good. Network is good. Okay. So guys, the first difference you understood, this is a file and this is a directory. Okay. Now you see there are three things: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No, YouTube stream is different and Zoom stream is different. Zoom is running on your 1080p, right? You need more internet, Sunkara. Okay. YouTube is running on 360 or 720p. Okay. Zoom is running on 1080p. Okay. So make sure you get the good internet. Now you see, guys, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now three things here. So whenever a file or a folder is created in Linux, this distinguishing is happening. Now you need to understand, right? These three are denoted for different people. Okay, this is denoted for different people. You need to understand that. Now are you understanding till now? Right? What is R? What is W? R is for read. Okay, R is for read, right? Read. W is for write. And this one is nothing, no permission. So we are talking about file permission and management, guys. Those who don't know, we are talking about file permission and management. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful, guys. Okay. File permission and management. Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Clear. Now you see, what is R? What is W? What is X? Right? X, R, W, X. Okay. Now you will see. Okay. What is R, W, X? Now you understood. Now this is related to your file permission. X I will tell. X I will tell. Okay. So all of you see, guys, there are three things now. Three people: user, group, all. Okay. Now you see. Okay. Where is that? Okay. You see. I will clear the screen. This is for user, current user. This is for group, batch 4.0, and this is for all, everyone. Clear, everyone? Three people, right? User has this permission, group has this permission on a file. Let's take test.txt. Okay. On text.txt, what my user has the permission, we are talking about that. Clear? User, RW, user has only read and write access on this file. He doesn't have execute access. He cannot execute the file. Group has only read access. It means the batch 4.0 has only the read access, and all others apart from batch 4.0 who are logging in into the Linux system, right, are having only the read access. Clear, everyone? Now let's see. There are three people. I told you, right? There are three people: user, group, all. Read, write, and execute on the file. Right? Clear? Now you see, there are many denotions. You see, R for read, W for write, X for execute, dash means no permission. Very important. So you saw, right? You saw on my terminal, right? RWR, right? Directory I am having X, I am able to execute. Clear, everyone? Clear? D represents directory. That's what I told. D represents directory. See, RW is for user. Here RW is for group and R is for others. The last, user, group, others. You see the notion in Linux: small u for user, G for group, O for other, A for all. Clear, everyone? Any questions? Any questions? Yes. Where do we use others? Others we are using, see, other is already there, na? User, group, all, and others, right? Both are same. Okay. Clear? Any questions? Any questions in this slide? Can we change the permissions? Yes, definitely you can change. Clear? Sujata, what is your question? Any questions? Yeah, O is equal to A, right? A is for all. Others is for any specific user. If you want to give access, then you can give, right? Any other questions? So guys, whatever I am teaching, ask on that, right? So that other students are not getting confused, right? So you saw, right, what exactly this is. See, with a simple folder, I was able to show you all the difference, right? So make sure when you are watching any Linux system from tomorrow, you able to understand what is this permission all about. X means execute, D means directory, R means read, W means write. Okay, clear? I have divided everything. Yes, let me move forward. Okay. So guys, in read, write, execute, what you saw here, you are seeing in terms of letters, correct? Correct, everyone? You are seeing in terms of letters here. Now, the same denotion, like how you have seen in the slide, right? Here, it can be converted into numbers also. So let's see how you can convert numbers. So guys, see, 0 is for dash, X is for 1, write is for W, 2, read is for 4. Now, tell me, if I type RW, what is the equivalent letter or number from here? Can you tell me, anyone who has the knowledge or anyone wants to try? What? Okay. What is the equivalent letter? What is the equivalent letter? Correct, right? So you see, if I have RW, R is for what, guys? Read is for 4. So 4 plus write is for 2. So 4 plus 2, it means the value is 6. Okay, clear? Now you see, guys, for value 7, what is the value? 7 means 4 plus 2 plus 1. It means full access. Read, write, and execute. Correct? Correct? Yes. Now 6 means what? Only read and write. And 4 means what? Only read. Suppose I want to convert the same thing. Same thing. What I will type here? R plus W. It means 6, right? It is only having read access. What is the read equivalent of read? If you want to see the table, read is for 4. So 6, 4, 4. Correct? 6, 4, 4. Correct? Yes or no? Correct? The equivalent of the value I am telling. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes, no? Great. Awesome, right? So let's move forward. Let's see like what are the next things set for you, right? These are the naming conventions, but I will tell you all other things, okay? Okay, this is clear, right? The naming conventions, very important for interview question. Clear? Okay, Shabnam, what is your doubt? What is your doubt, Shabnam? Where we use number system, like we got letters. You can use as per your knowledge. I will tell you that. Okay. Okay, with numbers. Okay, let me tell you if I am able to do it. Okay, so all of you see how you can use numbers. Let me tell you. I didn't wanted to tell this, but yeah. ls-lrta, you have your Docker file. Now, what is the permission of Docker file? All of you, can you tell me the numbers? This is for user. This is for group. This is for others. What is the number coming here? All of you, can you type in chat? 644. Correct? Yes. Correct. Now, I'm not sure whether in my Linux Mac terminal will it work or not, but let me give a try. I wanted to show you tomorrow. chmod 777, okay, Docker file. Okay, now what is my permission? Did my permission got changed or not? Yes or no, guys? Yes, it means my user is having execute permission. I am having execute group. The batch 4 is having execute permission and others are also execute permission. Yes, guys, see the difference here only I am telling. Right? Correct. Now, suppose you want to use RWX only. Let me show you that also. ls-lrta. Now you see Docker file changed. Now, in the readme.md file, right, I want to use +x. Okay, how I will change? chmod change mod +x, right, readme.md, right? You can use numbers, you can use letters. Now you see readme.md got changed for user. Yes or no? Yes or no? And it got others also. X is been added for all the 3 people. Here X is not there at all, right? So according to your interest, you can use it, right? Yes. Now let's go ahead and see AWS fundamentals. We will see now. Okay, what is AWS fundamentals? And after that, we will have Q&A. Okay, those who have questions, those who have queries, those who want to talk, we will talk. And don't leave the session. There is some important thing for tomorrow's session, which I'll be telling. Okay, now guys, AWS in one slide, basics we will touch. Okay, and we will see what is exactly you are knowing. So now AWS is a cloud, guys. Okay, similar to your laptop. What is your laptop? Your laptop is one machine, right, which comes with your hard disk. Correct? AWS is like 1 crore laptops. Assume that 1 crore or 1 billion laptops with various kinds of features. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes, no? Yes. Yes, +x is changed for all user group others. Clear? Now, only I told like here. Let me tell again. Okay. So you have your laptop. Okay. You have your laptop, you have your hard disk. One laptop, one hard disk. Correct? Everyone, yes or no? Yes. One laptop, one hard disk, right? Okay. Then AWS is like 1 billion laptops with multi-feature application. Let's assume that 1 billion laptops. It's having the power of 1 billion laptops with various features. Correct? Yes. Any questions? Any questions? We have not started anything, but yeah. Okay, if number of groups, I will tell Jay. We have, that's why I'm telling. Whatever I am teaching, if you have doubts in that, you can ask, right? Group addition and everything, we will see in Linux system session. Yeah, Jay, I told about that, right? Okay, now let's see. AWS is the cloud, right? Azure is the cloud, right? And GCP is the cloud. Each cloud has its own features and everyone is same. Ultimately, everyone is same. Now, it has an server, right? It has a server, right? It also have a server. It also have a server. The server name here is EC2, right? Here there can be some other name. Here there can be some other name. So guys, let's assume that we are taking one server from AWS, one laptop. I don't want 1 billion laptops. I only want one laptop. Now, shall we do the investigation on one laptop? What does the feature that one laptop have? Can we do that? Now, I go to a showroom. I want to see a laptop. I will ask for the features. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Give a yes if you all agree. Right? Now, I am into a showroom. I want to know the features of that product, right? Now you came to AWS. Now AWS is telling you the feature of EC2 as a service, correct? Right? Okay. Correct. Yeah. One more yes. One more yes. Great. Okay. So let's move forward. Okay. So now let's take my product is what here? EC2. Okay. My product here is EC2 only. Okay. So now let's see what are the features of EC2. Very beautiful. See, and AWS obviously, right? So guys, EC2 is all about feature. Okay. You take a laptop, depending on the feature, the cost will be correct. There will be more disk, you get more usage, more cost. If you are using less space, there are some free usage AWS instances also. Now you see, guys, all AWS instances are numbered with various kinds of letters and alphabet. You have large instance, you have small instance, like your laptops. You have small laptops, small size, 14-inch. You have larger laptops, you have 16 inches Mac, right? So similar to your instances type, the letters and alphabets have been divided. So all of you see, you have M type of family. Interview question, family of AWS. Tomorrow I will show you, once I log in into AWS console, I will be showing you, okay? You have M type instance, you have C type instance, T type instance, R type instance, X type instance, I type instance, U type instance. Now, depending if you want feature, suppose, guys, how many of you play games? How many of you play games here? In how many of you play games on laptop? Everyone, right? So for playing games, what feature you need? Graphic card. Suppose you are a high coder, what do you need? You need more RAM, more space, correct? Yes. So similarly, if you want more space, right, you go for higher instance, like your large, right? Suppose you want more compute, you take C type instance. Suppose you want more memory, you take M type instance. Suppose your usage is general purpose, you take T type instance, right? High memory, you take M. High RAM, you take C, CPU, right? General purpose, you go for T, right? Clear? Right? See, 175 plus varieties of EC2 instance. Instance means laptop. So guys, very simple. Instance means laptop. That's it. Sadaf, instance means laptop. Linux means laptop. Very simple. Okay. Now you see, your laptop has a CPU. See, EC2 is having CPU. Yes or no? And that CPU is divided into various things. Intel, AMD, AWS Graviton. Your CPU laptop is divided into these two, na? Intel or AMD, correct? Intel i5 core, Intel i6 core. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes, correct. So similarly, CPU of EC2 is also divided into these two, Intel, AMD. Your laptop will have a network. You connect Ethernet card or Wi-Fi. Yes or no? See, my Wi-Fi is connected. Similarly, AWS EC2 instance has a Wi-Fi. Your laptop has a hard disk. Similarly, AWS EC2 instance has hard disk. Now that hard disk is divided into two types, 1 and 2. The first one is instance store. The second one is add-on storage. Okay. Now the first one is virtual machine. Yes, virtual machine. The first one is instance store, which comes with like when you create an Linux instance or virtual machine, VM, basically VM, right? When you create a VM, it comes up with an instance store, but when you stop the VM or delete the VM, the data is gone, right? Persistent, the data is not with us. But at the same time, when you use an additional hard disk from outside and attach to your virtual machine, you have your instance data stored. You have your data stored on the hard disk. Clear, everyone? See, HDD, SSD, two things are there with us. Same like your laptop. Correct? Correct, yes or no? Productions, normally it's a very high, large type instance we use. Okay. Now you have i5 generation, correct? So similarly, you see m5d.xlarge. What does this denote? M5d. 5 is generation, M is type of family, size of instance, X large, X small, X medium, correct? I5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are generations, family, M type, T type, C type, large, small, size. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? It comes with the hard disk. Let me clear the screen. Guys, don't leave my class if you have any questions. Get it clarified, okay? Now, availability zones, okay? AWS comes with availability zones. Okay, very important. Okay, right? Now, availability zones are nothing but this AWS is spreaded on all across the world, correct? In India, where it is located, the AWS servers, AWS regions, any idea? Let's take it is in India. You have Mumbai, right? Pune, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. Okay, these two regions, Asia Pacific, right? Hyderabad, Mumbai, correct? In India, it's two regions. Now you say this is one region. Mumbai is one region. Hyderabad is second region. Correct? So see, AWS is spreaded all over the world in 22 regions. And in that two regions, in India, there are two regions, Mumbai, Hyderabad, right? And what are availability zones? Now, under regions, you have, let's take in Mumbai, you have a data center at Pune, you have a data center at Hinjinwada. Let's assume that. So these are two availability zones. Correct? So similarly, wherever there is a region, AWS will have its availability zones. Okay? Fast, reliable, and secure. AWS cloud is fast, reliable, and secure. Clear, everyone? Storage. Are you clear with storage things? Yes. Any questions on storage? People on YouTube, please like the video if you are liking the content, and if you are liking the class. If you have not enrolled, you can enroll. Okay, that's fine. Means in Mumbai, we have multiple data centers. Yes, Nachiket. Yes. Okay. Murli, did I talk about EFS? No, right? So don't. EFS is elastic file system. That's a different concept. Okay, now let's talk about your storage. Okay, we have talked about EC2. Now let's talk about storage. Under storage in AWS, there are three devices: EBS, S3, and EFS. Okay. Harsha, it's not necessarily three regions. It's all about the number of regions you have. Okay. Now, guys, see, EBS is a storage which is getting attached to your laptop. EC2, correct? S3 is a type of storage, external storage, which is like your bucket. In bucket, what you store at home? In general, tell me. In bucket, what you store at home? Water, objects, any kind of like your utensils or anything you keep, right? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Persistent means it will save the data even though your system is lost. Okay. Now, S3 here is a bucket where you store files, objects, or data. Same like your water concept only. Okay. EFS is elastic file system. Now, understand this. EC2 is there, you attached one EBS. So one EC2 is having one EBS, correct? All of you, yes or no? Yes. One EC2 is having one hard disk. Can you use your laptop hard disk to other system until and unless you remove and attach it to that, right? Correct. So similarly, I have my requirement that I have 3 EC2 instances and I want to attach one drive to it, one hard disk to it. Then your EFS will come, elastic file storage. It means that whatever data is present in this, the 3 laptops or 3 EC2s can talk. Clear between EBS and EFS and S3? Yes, guys, you all are awesome. Please reply to me. Okay. Repeat. Okay. I will repeat. No worries. Now, let me clear the screen. Okay, let me repeat. You have your laptop, you have your hard disk. One laptop with one hard disk. Hard disk is EBS. Your laptop is EC2. Okay. One laptop, one EBS. Correct? Yes, no? One laptop, one EBS, one EC2, one EBS. Correct? Now, suppose there is a requirement. You have 3 laptops or 3 EC2 instances, which has to be connected with a file system. Then you will use EFS. The common, suppose you want to use common file system, right? Then you use EFS. Clear? Here we are not using one Linux, one EBS. Here we are using one storage with 3 Linux systems. Got it? Clear? Clear? Yes. Clear? Clear, everyone? Awesome, right? Clear? EC2 is to EBS. Huh. And what is this? No, let me tell you. Okay, right. Let me write in this simple. EC2, one EC2 equal to one EBS. Okay, one EC2 will have one EBS. Suppose you have 3 EC2s, right? And you want to have the same hard disk attached, right? You have 3 EC2 and you want same disk getting attached, right? You have 3 EC2 and you want to have same disk getting attached, right? Then you use EFS. Now it's clear. I have written down. Clear? Clear? All of you, do we have to synchronize them as well? No, not needed. If you put anything in EFS, it will be automatically taken by your EC2s. Clear, everyone? Correct. Yes, Harsha. Bucket means storing objects and images. Yes. EBS means hard disk. Yes. EFS means shared memory. Okay, let me put like this. It's important. EBS means hard disk. EFS means shared memory, shared disk. Clear? Have you written down the notes? Yes. Anupam, correct. You are absolutely correct. S3 is for storing static objects like files, right? Some kind of zip files, right? And your tar files, some objects it is to. Clear, everyone? Right? No, S3 is not attached. Everything is different. S3 is not attached. S3 is a different, altogether different concept. So till now, what services we have seen? So services in AWS. Okay, please write it notes. One is EC2 we have seen. Next is EBS. Next is EFS. Next is S3, right? Correct. So these we are seeing like this, one by one service we are seeing. Okay. Now let's go and see the next things. Okay. Now you completed this IAM. It is one of the feature of AWS. Now you have your laptop, correct? You have your laptop. Now you want to make sure your laptop is having security. What you do? You keep the password. Yes or no, all of you? Yes or no, you keep the password, right? Simple, right? So similarly, AWS has the concept of IAM, identity and access management. In this, if you are an admin of AWS, you can manage users, create users, delete users, and give permissions. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes? No? Yes? Great. Now, IAM we have seen. Now, there is one more thing somewhere, AMI. Okay. Now, all of you should understand that Suppose I want to clone my hard disk data. What I will do, guys? Suppose I want to clone my hard disk data. What I will do? What I will do? Can anyone tell me? No, clone. I just want to copy the data of hard disk. No, just normal terms here. You have a hard disk with you. You want to take the copy of the data. What you do? Backup you do, right? Correct? Hard disk backup you do, right? So similarly, you have AMI, right? Where Amazon is giving you the feature of converting your machine into an image. In your phone, guys, when you click an image, what will happen? You will have your date, time, who has created, which phone it has been taken, correct? All the data, correct? Yes or no? Similarly, when you create your laptop's image, this image will have everything. I will show you in the coming classes. What does this mean? As of now, just understand, okay? And this concepts also, these things, we will see in the next class, right? I will not talk now, but as we go ahead, we will talk, okay? So now, one important thing, got it right, everyone? Right? Okay. We are at 11:43, right? So few things here, right? All of you, I hope you know me on LinkedIn, right? So this is my LinkedIn profile, right? So what you have to do, if you have liked the first class, right? The Josh of talking to 3 hours, and I will be talking to you all next 15-20 minutes, right? If you have liked, you can put whatever the screenshot you liked in today's class, right? Making sure that you are with me. Take the screenshot of any slide which you liked, right? And tag me in the post. If you like the class, you can tell like, right? And if you are with me with this terms and conditions, you are going to get job soon. I'm damn sure about that, right? I'm damn sure about that. Whatever you feel, not only on LinkedIn, you can also look at Instagram, right? You can also follow on Instagram, right? And you can tag me on Instagram. I will be putting that post tagging here, right? So it was a long journey, right? So everyone, I hope you have liked the class, right? So, okay, Twitter is also there. Everything is Singham for DevOps only. Twitter, I'm not using, guys, much. I need some time for that to explore, right? So how was the class? Like, any questions, anything? How was the class, today's class? Okay, let me put like this. Where is the slide? Okay. How was the class? Okay, let me put like this. How was the class today for the 4.0, the first class? Fantastic, awesome, great session. 3 hours was very informative. Yes, I will talk with you all in a little bit of time. Good, great, awesome, very nice, great, awesome, excellent, great session, right? So that's how all the classes will be, right? You all are really good. Thank you all for joining, right? And I will be talking with you all one-to-one now, right? Right? And see, this is just the basics. Now you will see the more advanced levels, right? Energy is good. Today's class is awesome, right? So thank you all for joining, right? And let's talk one-to-one now, right? Okay, great. Awesome. Let's go ahead and see. Praveen, okay, let's talk. Okay, energy from you, sir. Okay, great. Let's talk now. I will, all of you come on video. I'll stop the screen share. Today's session is completed. Tomorrow we will be installing tools. All of you come on video and we will be talking now, right? Okay, I will give the access, right? Those who want to talk with me, please raise your hand and I will unmute you, okay? So yes, I see Vinayak unmute, Anil Reddy unmute, and Soham also. Okay, Soham?
Yeah,
Come on video, yaar. Come on video. देखो सब आगे वीडियो में. आप लोग भी आओ.
hi Praveen.
Hi, Soham.
Actually, screen is this side. That's why I'm looking this side. So I have like 2 doubts from today's class. Like while you were explaining the AWS partner, so you explained that M5, CS, T3, like for memory, RAM, general. So what other things were doing? Like i3, then there was some R5 UI.
Correct. Those are again features-based data. Let's think like this. you have your, I was very previous instance, we are not using now. From T, we are starting, right? So that's why I have told T. We are mostly using T, M, R, C. Those 4-5 instances we are using. And for your production ready clusters, production ready instances, we are mostly using M and X. Okay. X is like higher side, M is like medium side. Okay.
All right. Just one more small doubt.
Go ahead.
While explaining the Linux partner, so what was that /boot and /lib was doing?
LIT? What is that?
LIB. I think it's for library.
Lib. Okay. /library is to store your OS related things. Suppose you have Windows laptop, right? And now you want to use your Windows 7, Windows 8. You store somewhere, right? In some drive. So similarly, /lib is for your kernel storage. Kernel is like OS of Linux. Okay. Yeah. And what is the other one you asked? Bin.
And boot, BOOT,
okay.
/boot.
Okay. Boot is something like, see, when you switch on the laptop, what will happen? Your laptop will come up and it will check all the system checks, right? So all the BIOS related thing, your basic input output, which I have not talked into deep. So BIOS check, everything will happen in your boot. So basically it has all your bootable files. Okay. /boot. Okay.
All right.
Great.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
No problem. Okay. So yes, Vinayak, go ahead. I have requested you to unmute also. Okay. Ibrar and Murli, Siddhagam. Okay. Shabnam, I have given you unmute access. You can unmute.
Hi, Praveen. Good morning.
Hey, hi, Shabnam. Good morning.
Thank you for the wonderful session. It was so amazing. And I just had I wanted one clarity. So I am 7 years experienced and 5 years into Azure. So while teaching AWS and going forward to technologies, can you create an analogy between Azure and AWS? Today we studied for EC2, right? So in Azure we use it as a virtual machine. Just a basic, so that understanding AWS is also easier.
Okay, understood. So Shabnam, see, the thing is, right, all clouds are same. I have not honestly worked with Azure. All my previous experience organizations, even in Walmart, it was same, AWS only, right? So what I would request is that analogy making will be difficult for me as of now, because already I've started, content is already ready, right? But I will try if I can match. But one more thing, as I have cracked good companies, right, in the last 2 months, whatever I've told you, like your Zeta, your other companies, Adobe and all, right? So all those questions, I think you are 7 years, right? You will be amazed to see the questions. And guys, trust me, people are expecting more. People are not what is hello world? What is this? What is that? They're not asking. They're asking in depth. 5 rounds each interview has happened for me. And fortunately, I was able to clear. So those things I'll be sharing. Right, Shabnam?
Yeah.
Great. Okay.
Thank you. And just one silly question. So as you mentioned, I want to understand the meaning of X in execute. I wrote it down.
What is that? Minimum?
Have file permissions, right? RWX, read, write, and execute. So what is the meaning of X?
Okay, X is execute. Execute means, suppose you want to run the file, like shell, sh, run the file. If you have the execute permission, then only you will be able to run the file, or else it will not allow you to run the file. Okay.
Then suppose there are some executable packages, right? .exe file. So we cannot read that file. So suppose that exe file has R permission and X permission. So, and just the R permission. So how will we differentiate?
Correct. Exe files are not there in Linux. In Linux, there will be your shell files or your RPM files, Red Hat Package Manager. So if you don't have the access, root user should give access. Suppose I am the root user, you are a normal user. Now you are installing software on your Linux, but you don't have the access. Then you will come to me and I will say that, okay, this Shabnam has to have read, write, and execute on this software. I will give chmod on my system and then you will be able to access.
Okay. And so the root user and the sudo user are same.
What is that?
The root user and the sudo user.
Both are same. Sudo and root both. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. Guys, please ask one question only, right? So there are so many students, right? So I have unmuted everyone, like why everyone is silent. Jasneet, Gurpreet. Okay. Bye, look, please. Who is next?
Hello, hi Praveen.
हाँ हाँ अनमोल बोलो.
Yeah. So, when we were giving the permissions, we didn't mention to whom user or which group or whom do we need to give it. So how can we do that thing? I mean, we just showed that ch mode 777,
Correct.
right? So, I mean, if you are giving me the permission, then how will you give it to me?
So how I will give it to you is I will say like user, right? chmod -u username Anmol. Then I will give the access. Then the file name. Okay.
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 Or else I will say chown. There is one more command which I have not told. So that's why I told like whatever has been thought, right? That you can ask. So what I will do now on the file, I will say chown owner. I'm changing to Anmol. Chown Anmol 777 your file name. Something like this I can give.
Okay.
Okay. So yes. Any other questions? Okay. Gurpreet, I have unmuted you. Jasnikit Bonagri, right? Shashikant, Ibrar. Okay, Ibrar is here.
Yeah,
Okay.
hi Singham.
Okay, who is this? Hi Shashi. Yeah.
So, are you going to cover GitHub Actions, at least a basics?
No, GitHub Actions are not there. GitLab is there and Jenkins is there. So GitLab Actions we will see. So actions will be same. In GitLab, you will see the GitLab Actions, the connectors, the runners, everything. So both will be same almost.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
No problem. Yeah. So yes, Ibrar,
Yeah.
आपको unmute किया हूँ मैंने. Okay, just right? Yeah.
Praveen, I have seen the curriculum, so we are going with only with the AWS cloud, right?
Yes.
So do we just do the tasks, or like in between we'll be getting issues? So no one is perfect in the first attempt, right?
Correct.
So do we? Yeah. So everyone, whatever we go, whatever we do, it would be in the error perspective, or what errors do we go? Do we analyze those all things, and how it is going to be?
Yes. So definitely when a new person is doing, you will get errors, right? And that error solution also I will tell first only. Like when we are doing hands-on, I will tell like here you will get error if your system is different, right? So I will give the solution also. But still, if you have errors or issues, I have told the 3 mediums. One is Telegram, where you all have to join, right? The link will be in the confirmation email, and you see comment section. There you will see one more group you have to join where you will be able to talk with each other. Right? This is one thing. Second, you have my email ID, right? My team will be replying. If at all you all need doubts clearing session, that's where I told, right? I'll be coming every week, Wednesday for you all. We'll be talking very openly for 1 hour, right?
And the other thing is like, if at all I have time in the night, so I practice at that time. So I need the helps someone with someone. So how that is going to be like, I don't want to disturb you at that moment. So is there anyone who is going to help us, or how it is going to work?
No, there are people, there is a community for me, right, who are helping on the website and everything. So they will be helping. And on the website, you will see something like discussions group community also. There also you can post and share the data among yourselves, right? Mostly guys, all of you on your website, there will be a community section where you can talk with each other, share the screenshots, openly talk, discuss. You can do that. Okay. There is a community tab. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Okay, great. Ibrar, yaar, see, I don't know like how you have joined the session. आपने किसी और का account use किया है? What is that? Because I see you in the class. Ibrar, you can chat with me, Ibrar, right? Okay, Usman Sheikh, I have unmuted you. Syed Afzal and Siddhagram, I have, okay. Siddhagram, you were unmuted. Yes, Syed, bolo.
Sir, actually, I have completed RSCS certification. Is
Okay.
it course for DevOps?
Yes, bhai, yes. RHCSA is wonderful certification. And bhai, to be honest, everyone is behind Linux only. Everyone is starting like Linux mein kya hai? Because you know, Kubernetes, Prometheus, whatever tools we are installing, everything is on that only. So that is the reason.
Sir, but I am fresher now. Now I am pass out BTech in electrical electronic engineering.
No, your voice is not feasible. Can you tell?
Sir, I am just graduating BTech. So I am got a job in DevOps as a fresher.
You will get it. You will get it. Provided I told the terms and conditions. See, Josh will be high for the first day to everyone, right? But as you go, people think that there are recordings, there are this, there are that, and they don't join. But if you are joining, I am damn sure with my experience I can help. So there is no saying like no, but if you are with me, that will help you, right? Okay, thanks, Syed. Siddhagram, yes, go ahead. I have unmuted you.
Hello, Praveen. So my question is, whenever we create an instance for EC2, so always an EBS will be attached by default, or
yes,
how exactly is that?
Yes, it will be attached. Okay.
Okay,
and
tell
me. You have to select the option. You have to select like what size you need, 8 GB, 10 GB, 15 GB. According to that, it will be attached.
Okay, so if you run any instance is running, so we can view the data which has been stored in that. Is it?
Yes, exactly. I'll be showing that, and we will be doing the disk management also in RHCSC class.
Okay, and then last another
Guys,
part for the
one question, yaar, one question. See, अभी देखो बहुत सारे लोग हैं, ठीक है? So I have to reply to everyone, right? Please come with one question. It will be helpful for everyone, right, Siddhagram?
Okay.
Great. Okay, so who was that? I have already unmuted few. Guys, you can talk with me.
Hey.
हाँ, बोलो.
Hey, Singham. Hi.
बोलो. हाँ, hi.
मेरे को ये पूछना है कि मैं वर्कस्पेस 1 UEM एज एन सपोर्ट मैंने VMware में काम किया, उसके बाद एज एन एडमिन काम कर रहा हूँ. अर्लियर आई वाज इन शेयरपॉइंट, ठीक है, तो मैंने मोस्टली सपोर्ट में ही काम किया है. तो कभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के थर्ड पार्टी पेरोल पे, कभी VMware के डायरेक्ट, इस तरह से मैंने काम किया है. अगर मैं डेवऑप्स में जाता हूँ, ठीक है, तो मुझे किस तरह का रोल मिलेगा इस कोर्स करने के बाद, हैविंग 7 years of experience with 2 to 3 different technologies?
Yes. So definitely you can be a senior DevOps engineer or SDE3, DevOps engineer 3, right? Or if you want to convert yourself into SRE, you can do that. Minimum basic requirements are there, which this course will help you. And all the thing is like how you convince the interviewer, because you are already working in VMware and all, you will be able to understand how a system works, what are the things, what are the disks getting attached, all the basic things you will know. So I'm sure that for 7 years, right, it will be easy, like 4 plus 3 or 5 plus 2. That's how you should be able to divide your resume, right? Hello. Okay. Ashish, Amit. Okay. I think he got lost, but that's fine. So I have unmuted Sujata, Akshay, Mandar, Syed, Adnan.
Hi.
Yes, Akshay. Yes.
Praveen, so there are so many terms these days floating in the market, like, you have SREs, cloud architects, platform engineers, system design engineers. So what exactly is the career progression for a DevOps guy?
Career progression will be whatever you are seeing the content as a flow, right? Week 1, week 2, week 3. That is your proper set of contents, which I got from my experience, right? So if you follow that, that will be sufficing your need, your SRE and DevOps need, right?
Okay. I mean to say, as a designation, how do one, get into SRE, or not from the syllabus perspective, from the designation perspective? So are these profiles similar to each other, or is there a big difference between platform engineer and DevOps?
No, there is no difference, guys. Just the name is getting changed. If you are given an SRE, you will be put on SRE, but you will be doing DevOps also. So I always say like both are 50-50. There is no such big difference. I am doing SRE, I am doing DevOps, I'm managing the sites, I'm working on automation. So it's 50-50. Platform is all about how you manage the tools. So there is no such difference. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, great. And who else? Ibrar, this is the second time I'm unmuting you, but yeah, please check kaise ho raha hai. Ibrar, not able to. Okay, I don't know. Like, I have again. Guys, those who have completed their questions, please raise your hand down. Okay, Ibrar. हाँ, Ibrar. यार कैसे आ गए मतलब?
सर ये DM मैंने किया आपको, आप जरा ये कंफर्म कर सकते हैं?
यार देखो, अभी मैं फोन नहीं देख सकता हूँ, पर आप बोलना क्या मतलब क्या इशू है, बोलो.
सर ये एक नंबर है आपके टीम से, उसने मुझे कांटेक्ट किया था, ये उसके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए उसने मुझे एक्सेस वगैरह दे दिया है, मेरे जो डिटेल्स है ईमेल वगैरह पे.
अच्छा,
तो
उसका नाम
मैं
क्या
सिर्फ
है? उसका नाम क्या है?
सर नाम का नहीं पता, लेकिन आप ये नंबर जरा देख लें, चैट में मैंने मेंशन किया आपको.
अच्छा, ठीक है, मैं देख लेता हूँ. तो चलो, आपका पेमेंट इशू तो रिजॉल्व हो गया, आई थिंक देन, राइट?
जी सिर्फ ये आप कंफर्म कर ले कि ये
हाँ, आपने तो नंबर नहीं दिया है
सर दिया है सर, ये मैं दोबारा पेस्ट कर देता हूँ।
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा, हाँ दिया है, ठीक है, मैं ये देखता हूँ, ठीक है, मैं ये फॉलो अप करता हूँ। आई थिंक मेरी टीम से कोई होगा, अगर आपको एक्सेस मिला है तो दैट्स गुड, ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर
सर
ज्वाइनिंग,
ये कंफर्म,
ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ, थैंक यू। हु एल्स? Sujata, I have unmuted you, right? Yashwant, I have unmuted you. Prasanjit, I have unmuted you.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Sujata.
Sir, you said like talk with your manager regarding chatbot. What exactly the chatbot will do, sir? That's my
Okay,
doubt.
correct. So see, chatbot we have not discussed, right? There is a separate session.
Yeah, we have not discussed.
Correct. So once you complete that, you will see, suppose you tell hi to the chatbot, it will reply hello. If you talk to the chatbot like create Jira ticket, it will create a Jira ticket to you. If you tell to the chatbot like I want Kubernetes dashboard URLs, it will give to you. So it means that you are doing automation at the same time you are reducing the development team efforts of finding the things. Correct?
Okay, yeah, so everything is ready like that.
Huh. Means I have the code in Node.js and Python. I'll be giving some scenarios and you will be able to understand with that scenarios, like how exactly the bot works.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. So guys, those who are asking for Telegram link, your Telegram link is present in your confirmation email. As of now, I don't have handy, but in the confirmation email, it will be there. Okay. And you should understand that if it is giving 404 or page not found, copy the Telegram link, put it in the Telegram chat and hit that link. It will redirect you to the Telegram group. Okay. Guys, those who have completed please put your hands down. Okay. Sohaib, I have given you access. Anil, Prasanjit, again, I am giving you access. You all are raising. Ibrar, ab hand down kar dijiye, please. Haan, Sohaib, go ahead.
Hi, Praveen. This is Anil.
Yeah.
Yeah, generally, you mentioned that sports curriculum 12 projects, right? So, can we put those 12 projects in resume as an experienced person?
Yes, guys, all these are real-time projects which I have been working in my organization. So I've kept that only, and I will give a separate document where how you can put each project in resume. That also I will tell. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay.
So that means as a DevOps engineer to work on multiple projects, right? Not in single project.
Yes, not on single. Yes.
Yeah, understood.
Great.
Yeah,
so, Pawan, you want to talk?
Hi, Praveen.
Okay, who is this?
Prasanjit.
Okay, Prasanjit, go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, I have total 6.5 years of experience in Linux administration, and I want to switch to DevOps or cloud AWS. And in my current organization, the project is going on through AWS only. So basically, I'm handling Linux servers through AWS instances. So will it be helpful? This course will be helpful for me.
Definitely, Prasanjit. See, for everyone, I am telling, right? You will be amazed to see what questions people are asking outside, right? What are the coding questions? What are DSA questions? And I'm 100% sure it will help you, Prasanjit. That is my guarantee, provided you follow the terms and conditions which I have set on the website. If you want to take, it's like just heads up for everyone, right? So I will copy paste these things, right, on the chart. If anyone is interested, you can save this so that you make sure you are joining every weekend classes live.
Yes.
Right, I have shared here. So please, yeah, Prasanjit, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Ashish Kumar Gupta, I have unmuted you. Anurag, I have unmuted you. Santosh,
hey, hi, Singham.
Pawan, I have unmuted you. Yeah, hi, Ashish.
Hey, hi. Thank you for today's class. It's what amazing. And so, Singham, actually, I was just want to know for tomorrow's class. Like, I have a my personal system, and in that I have a 4 GB of RAM. Okay, so that will be sufficient for.
We are not going to do anything on your laptop. We will be taking the cloud access, and we will be doing that. Okay.
Okay. Then okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Ashish. Okay. So,
hi, Praveen.
Okay.
This is Pawan.
Okay, Pawan, 1 second. Usman Sheikh, I have given you access. Yeah, Pawan, go ahead.
So I have only one doubt, like from tomorrow we are using AWS, right?
Correct.
And we use 𝐾𝐻 as well.
No.
Not from tomorrow, but in few days.
In
at that time, cool. So at that time we have to use instance with medium, right?
Medium, what is that?
Easy to instance with
Oh,
medium.
medium. Correct.
Then we
Medium
have to pay.
100 to 200 rupees, it will be chargeable on AWS. That we have to pay, right?
Okay, okay, cool. Thanks,
Yeah?
thanks.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Okay, Usman Sheikh. Okay, आपने फिर से mute कर लिया, ठीक है.
Yeah,
Pawan, go ahead.
Praveen,
Yes,
yeah,
Pawan.
bro. The only issue was the when I joined through YouTube, no, the stream was okay, and when I log into my computer, when I came to the website, there was a delay of your voice. So that's the
Correct.
only issue, and the class was great.
Okay.
And when I'm using my phone, no, and initially I used my phone to log into your website and then attend the class. There was no lag, and the quality was very good. When I use my laptop, I don't know why there was like sound delay, and the quality is a little bit less.
Correct. So Pawan and everyone, right? Very honestly, this is 1080p Zoom, right? You are getting 1080p video recording. After this class, you will get 3 hours recording. Within next 4 hours, the recording will be on your website, everyone's website, and document also. Within 2 hours, it will be on website. When you watch on phone, the resolution is small, right? That's how the coding is also done. Resolution is small, your internet bandwidth was sufficient. But when you go on laptop, it will be more. 1080p for making the 1080p running on your laptop, you need more internet bandwidth. And on YouTube, it's 720p or less than that. So 720p, I think it was complementing your phone and your YouTube. But yeah, make sure you have good bandwidth. That should be sufficing. Okay.
Yeah. And
okay.
The class was great, by the way.
Okay, thanks, Pawan. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So guys, those who are with me, please post your learnings on LinkedIn so that people actually try to understand like how you are doing the hard work, what is the process behind your hard work, and what are the sets, do's and don'ts which you will be going forward, right? Okay, who is that? Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Praveen.
Santosh, yeah, go ahead.
Praveen, my question is related to the EBS actually. So can we attach the multiple EBS to the single instance, with single EC2?
Single EC2, multiple EBS you can attach, but you should be very well versed with your RHCSA, Linux System Administration, right? But generally, we won't do unless and until there is a requirement. Okay.
Yes, got it.
Okay. Yeah, thanks. So Syed Adnan, I have unmuted you. So guys, those who have raised hand, right? Can you please come on video so that I give the preference, because there are so many. Adnan, I have given you. Yeah, please check. Okay, you have to request for that, right? I have searched your name, Adnan, asked to unmute, right? This is the second time I'm doing.
Hey, hi, Praveen.
Adnan?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Okay. Yeah, where are you? Yeah, you are audible. Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, Praveen, I have been working on Terraform for like since 1 year until now. Terraform, Jenkins, and as well as AWS as cloud. So a quick question is like, would AWS practitioner exam would help me?
AWS practitioner is very basic. Okay, who is that here? Okay, that's fine. So it's very basic, Syed. Okay. For practitioner, it's not needed at all. Terraform is not needed. It's very basic. You can do that.
So it is better that I go for a solutions architect, right?
How many years of experience you have?
Almost, it's been around 1 year, 2 months.
No, I won't recommend for solutions architect. For more experience, when you have a solutions architect means you are doing the design for entire architecture of your website or your project. I would request you go with RHCSA or Kubernetes, which are in demand right now. Your that one will not fetch you good things.
Oh, can you please just come again? The first one which is
RHCSA, Red Hat Linux System Administration, or Kubernetes. These are like evergreen till now. Hi Singham, it's midnight here. Can't enable video. Okay, Bhuvneshwari, that's fine. Sorry, those who are not able to give that video on. Okay, Bhuvneshwari, you wants to talk something? Oh, okay. Let me unmute. Okay, Bhuvneshwari, I have unmuted you. Saksham, next is you. Bhuvneshwari, you can talk. Saksham, I have unmuted you. Usman, you had some voice issue, so I muted you.
Hello.
Yeah, Saksham, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Singham. Actually, I wanted to clarify, like I am into backend development in Infosys from last 2 years approximately, So how this course will benefit me after 2 months? Like how progression can occur for me? Like, can you guide something?
Yes. See, Saksham, whatever I'm telling to everyone, huh? This is a general question I'm getting. So Saksham, see, when you get a mentorship or teachership or whatever you call, right, from a person who has already cracked these things, so I know what to give to you all so that you stand on the benchmark for every penny you paid, right? So I will make sure that what you need for the job to crack for 2 years for freshers, it's like gold mine. I'm telling in front of everyone. For experience, it's very good deal for you so that you get to know like what exactly the company's project managers or your directors, because when you cross 5 years, 7 years, your directors will come into picture. Your directors will take your interview. Like in Adobe, I had 5 rounds, and in the 5th round, the director round was happened, right? So everyone we need to make happy, right? So make sure like you will get good things. So don't worry about that, right? Okay, guys, enough of talking. It's almost like 20 minutes of talking I have done. Please put in chat your questions. Let's take some questions on chat also. Right. I hope everyone's questions are same. So Manan is okay. Please put in the chat so that I can talk with you all. I have cleared my Kubernetes administrator certification and currently working on it. Now focusing on AWS. RDS cloud formation. We are not covering, Manan. We are covering this thing, Terraform, Lambda. Okay. Murli is asking, sir, could you please tell me where to install tools in cloud? Tomorrow I will tell. After I tell, please do that. Don't do because you don't know what tools we are covering. So tomorrow I will tell. Okay. Top in demand cert DevOps. Sonak, I told you 𝐼RHCSA and Kubernetes. These two have helped me. Till now it is helping me. Right. Could you please enable the okay. Thanks for the great session. Thanks. Please, one last query. Yes, Jay, you can ask here. Availability zone and region. Availability zones are data centers. Region is like your big data center and availability zones are like your smaller data centers. You can assume that. So Mumbai is a region. Under Mumbai, you have 2 data centers. Okay, those are your availability zone. Okay, Gurpreet, what is that? There is one slide in GitHub, so you can explore that as well. Okay, Gurpreet, I didn't get that. Are we using declarative CICD? Yes, we are using declarative CICD. Can you explain availability zone and region? Yes, I have told Nandini. Citing that having good grasp over Linux, AWS, Praveen, would it be feasible to arrange? Yes, please connect over email, right? Huzaifa, that will be helpful, right? How does file creation without extension in Linux works? File creation without extension? No, see, Bhuneshwari, in Linux, the extension is not needed. Whatever you tell, if you tell vim file also, it will get created, right? So that's how the power of Linux. Okay. Sangamitra, please elaborate more on mock interviews that's going to be conducted in future. Mock interviews, I will be taking your mock interviews. Those who are interested will share your resumes on the drive in future, next month, October. And those who are interested will come on live on video. Everyone will be watching us. I'll be making sure based on your flow of questions, I'll be deciding your level, and I will be giving you the written feedback also. Okay. Where to prepare 𝐼RHCSA certification? Don't worry, 𝐼RHCSA is covered in our course, but if you want, you can take from Red Hat. Okay. Okay. Sri Raksha, I have a question. Some of them already have basic understanding about EC2 and Linux, and I'm trying to cope up with your learning newly. So I'll be able to grasp within this course. Yes, you will be able to, Sri Raksha. I have 12 years of experience. Okay, Vishnu, I'm looking for a job. Vishnu, definitely I have managers with 15 years of experience who were with me till the end of the class for 3.0. So I assume you will be till the end of the class, October 30. And you will join every live session. Are there chances of getting permanent work from home? It depends on company, Devi. So can you please tell how the workflow happens in organization? No, this we are not going to talk about now. Are you explaining Terraform? Yes, in depth. Every tool, if I tell, it will be in depth. Okay. Any homework for today? There is no homework. It's the first class. Please go through the slides. The document will be uploaded within 1 hour, and the recording of 1080p will be available in next 3-4 hours. Okay. If I join a startup, I'm only DevOps engineer. You can manage J, right? Can we apply this course for .NET? No, .NET is not covered at all. Okay, class is awesome. Great. We can. Okay, great. So guys, I have taken most of your questions. Okay, can you suggest? Fantastic. Okay. Hi, Praveen. Actually working as a DevOps engineer in the last 6 months. Okay. Any certificates? I have already told you, everyone. 𝐼RHCSA, Kubernetes. These two should be your first target. Okay. Okay. Ankit, when you used git status, that time screen, it was showing main branch. I think it should show master. No, master is not there at all. Main branch is only there. The branch we will see tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Who was this? Ankit, right? Okay. So guys, awesome time. Awesome talking with you all. Right. And Napoleon, thanks for your time. I see you are still on video. Any questions you have, you can ask. You can, I can unmute you also, right? And yes, thank you all. It was really nice session. And again, let me just tell you all, right? This will be your terms and conditions for freshers and experience. You should join all the live sessions. If you want job, right? If you want job, you should join all live sessions. Complete all projects. Monday to Friday, 1 hour each day you have to spend on topics which we are covering. I am ready to clear all doubts in the doubts clearing session. Tomorrow we will decide. My students have cracked companies by only joining live sessions. Have notebook of 500 pages divided into multiple segments. Freshers, if you are stuck at any issue, don't give up. 4 mediums are there. Doubts clearing sessions Wednesday, provided you tell tomorrow if you want. Telegram group, email, and Google and I will be available, right? So these are your terms and conditions. And again, I will make a walkthrough over the website, www.provinsingampally.com. You go to the course, you come here, and under each session, you will see this is your recording. Under this, you will have document also, clear and everything. And those who are who have liked today's session, please start be active on LinkedIn or any platform so that people know that, okay, you are working hard for what you need. Okay. And that's how you make followers also. That's how you make connections. That's how you get referrals. So whatever companies I have cracked, like Adobe, I have the list, Adobe, Rubrik, your Visa, MasterCard. So all those were referrals. So I put here, right? So I get the referral. And you see in the job section, there are many, see, right? Probably a few of the companies I have already applied and cracked. JPMC, first round, after that, they didn't came, right? Yeah, like Oracle, see, you have Oracle. Yeah. Visa is having so many openings, guys. So many openings. I don't know how they are getting these many openings. What I have for my interview, they were hiring for a new acquisition for Visa, right? So under Visa, there is a new acquisition. So they were having me for that. But anyways, I have not joined Visa. So there are many companies. GE, I have cracked in the last year's interview. So you see everything is there, right? So LinkedIn can be one-stop solution for you. If you are tagging me, your post reach will be more, people will be seeing you, right? Just tag with any of the slide and I'll be happy to acknowledge you, right? How you felt, your course experience and all, right? So how many of you are going to tag? Tell in the comment section and I will definitely acknowledge. Anyone who is going to tag? Yes. Yes. Great. Sridevi. Yes. Tag me. In Instagram, Singham for DevOps, you can tag and definitely we will work together. This is just the start. Tomorrow we'll do the tools installation. It's already 12:20, right? I will take a leave now. Yes, Napoleon. Yes, great. Okay, live demo to tag me. Okay, this is a new thing. Okay, guys, those who want to drop off, please drop off. I mean, I don't want to waste your time, right? So for those who don't know how to tag, see, this is the LinkedIn. Right? You go here. Okay. Those who don't know LinkedIn at all, right? See, this is the thing. You go to home, you go to start a post, you type @ right? You can give any name here, right? @Atlassian, Apple, but don't do that. You can give @Praveen Singampalli, my name will come. Okay. This is how you do the tagging and you can write the content, whatever you need. Okay. Okay, so yes, that was really good. And yes, you can put on Instagram also. This is my ID. Okay, this is for Atlassian, which we'll be seeing. As we go ahead, you all will have your Atlassian Jira accounts, which I will say to create. Okay, and you can able to understand like what exactly this will do. Okay, so Atlassian Jira account, I will have you all to get it created. And this is for Singham for DevOps. Okay, this is for my Instagram. You can tag me here. Okay, yes. So yes, today's session was awesome. I liked the way you have interacted. Thank you all. It was really nice meeting you all. 12:20, 3+ hours the session. So documents, please go through, make notes. Okay, great. Thanks, Rashmi. Nice. Thanks, Napoleon. Nice to see you. Please join tomorrow. Very important session.
Yeah.
We'll install all tools.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
Napoleon.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate.
Thank you. Thank you all. You can drop off. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.